Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. And it is the start of our first 3-hour London session stream. So can I get a 1 in the chat or even a W? Can I get W's in the chat just for London session being 3 hours long now? So we will be with you guys now from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern, or that is 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. UK time. So it's exciting. It's exciting. I know some of you were asking, and now we are here for the full session. Right now, we're about to get into Frankfurt Open. We're 2 minutes away, but first of all, good morning to you all for being here early. And I know for some of you, it's 2 a.m. in America right now. So love that you guys are here early, ready to trade. Hope you guys had an amazing weekend, or if you guys have already traded this, I hope you guys have crushed it on the charts. We'll get into that in a little bit. I will just say good morning to, let's see who we have here. And by the way, it is just me for the first hour. Nick will join us. So Nick will be here at the usual time. I think he went over this with you guys on Friday, but Nick will be here with us from the London Open at normal time at 3 a.m. Eastern. But for now, let me just get my quick good morning round in there. Good morning, Vimal. Good morning, Frequency. Good morning, Heinz Steak. Again, with that username, dude, like, when are we going to get rid of that? Good morning, Frequency. Good morning, Angia. Good morning, Jonathan. Good morning, Dude Monkey. Good morning, Content Hunter. Who else? Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Lucifer. Andrea's here. Balaji, good morning. Good morning, Just Black. Good morning, Lawrence. Good morning, Loving Nature Guy. It's amazing seeing all you here. Good morning, Gregor. Good morning, Devanch. Yep, all the OGs. Good morning, Wig Sweeper. Oh, good morning, KDB. Good morning, AS Capital. All right, guys, there is a whole bunch of you here. It's so great to see. I'm glad the message got out there because it was sort of like, yep, Friday we sort of dropped it on you all, and I posted something on my story hoping some of you would see it. So I'm glad you guys are here. We will be doing giveaways, so we'll get into that also with the like count in a bit. But let's first get into these charts because we are about 20 seconds away from Frankfurt Open. So pretty much what we've seen, there was some crazy shit also. Let's talk about that over the weekend with the news, with the war and everything that's going on in America and between America and Iran at the moment. So the sort of peace that we thought we were about to see, the stability in the markets that we thought we were about to get, turns out we're not getting that. So, well, at least for now, it doesn't look like that. So they did agree to a ceasefire, and now it looks like things have turned. Trump is now saying he's blockading the strait. So things are a little unstable again in these markets, and that's why we've seen a gap down to start the week here, which we love. We do love to trade the gaps, but I hope it's going to be an easy week. I was just so looking forward to some peaceful price action after they agreed to the ceasefire, and now it looks like we're going to get some crazy markets again. With that being said, like, if we just, not that we trade oil around here, I mean, I definitely don't, but oil is up 8%, just 7.9%, just to give you that. So markets are crazy. Let's get into it. So at the moment, yes, we have got the gap down. This is NQ as usual, guys. So we've had the gap down on NQ. Daily open is sitting at 24,980. Since then, we have pushed up a bit just to recover some of this new week opening gap. And that gap exactly, if we measure that in points, it's around 350, 360 points gap down. So quite a lot. And since then, we had Asia Night, the overnight session, which retraced a little bit into this gap. And that exact session range was around, not the biggest, 140 points for Asia session. So we can work with this, but what I tend to see right now is, since we had that small push at the beginning from Asia Open, we've now just consolidated and we're not seeing much. So not what we normally like to see coming into Frankfurt Open and then eventually into the London session also. I don't know what sort of volatility we're going to get. I'm hoping for some volatility here. Like, let's push out of this range. We're stuck pretty much within this tight range at the moment. Well, you can't really see that box. Hold on. Let me change that color really quick. We're pretty much stuck in this consolidation. So what I'd like to see is us peak up above that previous 4-hour high. Let's sweep out Asia high, which we have sitting there at 25,093.75. And if we can get a sweep above Asia high, previous 4-hour high, I wouldn't mind shorting back down into Asia range, Asia low. I know, like, technically this looks like we could be going for the gap fill, but honestly, when it comes to fundamentals and trading in times like this, I do like to look into more like what is happening geopolitically, and like, would it make sense for Nasdaq to just like completely blast up now? I don't think so. So I'm feeling a lot more bearish in the markets, and so if we do get a sweep of this tight consolidation here, which would lead nicely into a sweep of Asia high, I would like to see us go lower today for the session. So that's what I'm looking at. I'll delete this box now. But chat, let me know, how is everyone? That is that was a long spiel, but that is what I'm sort of looking at. But how is everyone feeling? How have you guys traded anything yet? How's everyone doing so far? Hope everyone had a happy CPI on Friday, made money. Just Black says, Celine, it's 2 a.m. for Americans. White screen. I know, I'm sorry, guys. Just turn your brightness down. I can't, there is no way. Like, I love you guys, but I can't do the black charts. I just can't. All right. I tried when in the very beginning when I first started trading, and it just freaks me out. Like, I feel like I don't know what's going on like, what's a red candle. I just can't. Everything freaks me out. So white charts it is, and pink and black candles. If you don't like it, you know what? Just don't look. You can have me on in the background if you must. Poor Profits, let's go extended hours. Yes, let's go for those 3 hours, guys. You know what? You had us for an hour and a half. Now you literally have us for double that. So I hope you enjoy the extended hours. I know most of you, I did ask, like, I don't know how long ago now, but you know, if any of you guys actually trade like the Euro session earlier, and a few of you did. So I'm not surprised to see faces here from, you know, the London session, because you guys are already up and trading. So it's exciting that we get to trade together for an extra hour and a half in total. Very excited for this. Hey, Andrea, good morning. Good morning. Sorry, Kizma says, happy Monday, Celine. I'm hyped for these extended hours. How are you? I'm good, Kiz. I hope you're also doing well. Tell me, are you back in the UK now? Have you left Australia? I know you were there for a little while, but good to see you, Kiz. Damn, Lawrence says CPI killed me on Friday. I'll be honest, yeah. CPI was, if we want to go back and have a look at that, or maybe we should, let's hold off going back to Friday's charts, because we might be getting a sweep here in a bit. Frankfurt is open, by the way, guys, so we're not sort of getting any exciting volume happening here. Hopefully we can get that sweep soon. All right, Pavi is long in gold for a short scalp. Let's have a look at gold. Let's have a look. I mean, I do imagine gold. Yeah, gold has gapped down actually. So we look like we could be trying to fill the gap on gold as well. Quite a nice push from the Asia session on gold. And now looking a little bit like the Nasdaq, we're sort of sitting in this this consolidation range right now. And I mean, we don't have long to fill that gap, to have that gap fill. So longs do look good. I mean, targets could eventually be previous day high if we do get up there. In times of uncertainty, like in geopolitical, when we have things like war, like we do tend to see gold pump. So wouldn't be a bad long right now. I would say that. Oh, Andrea says she loves us, but there are limits. Yes, Andrea, it's true. There are limits, and black charts are way off the limits, guys. Nico says 2 a.m. for me here, and I use cream color as well. Well, yeah, I mean, you got to stay alert somehow. Like, especially if you guys are trading at crazy hours at like 2 a.m. Wouldn't you want the brightness just to keep you awake? I mean, tell me that's not so crazy. Ange, good question. What is NWOG? Yes, NWOG is just a short abbreviation for New Week Opening Gap. So basically the gap that we had from the New Week opening, and see this where price hasn't been traded. Yeah, we call this the NWOG, or New Week Opening Gap, or just like, yeah. I don't think there are many other ways you could name that, but it's just a short abbreviation basically to explain this area of price. $91 Maverick, is there a giveaway in this early stream? You know what? Why not? Let's do a giveaway, chat. I know maybe I'm getting fired for this. Maybe not. Maybe not. But let's say if we can get, let me see how many viewers do we have here? Let's base it on that. But I would say if we can get like 300 likes before Nick gets on, that would be crazy. Let's see. Hold on. Let me base it on, because 300 might be crazy. All right. Let's say if we can get, I'm going to say 250 likes before Nick gets here, and I'll do a giveaway for you guys. And Nick's getting here like very soon. So let's do that. And I'll do a giveaway. I'm the Witcher Celine. I'm very happy for 3 hours live. I get bored trading alone. I know, that's a thing. I'm so glad, because there's nothing worse. I know some of you, like, well, most of you are probably trading alone, and things like our live stream is what keeps you entertained and also keeps you distracted from full porting and doing stupid things in the charts. Like, I know when I started trading, I wish I had Tradeify TV when I was trading all on my own, like in my head. So it's really good. We can talk through trade ideas. Like, if you guys are in anything right now in trades, like, let me know. And it's just good. It's good to have the community, and it's good to just be able to, 3 hours straight all together like this. It's gonna be sick. I'm excited. Oh, amazing. Kiz says, I'm back in the UK now. I was able to spend 36 hours in Singapore, so got to explore a bit. It was amazing. Glad to be home though. I'm so glad you're safe and sound, Kiz, back in the UK. And yes, Singapore is amazing. One of my favorite places. I'm glad you had time to like explore there. Cam, good to see you. Cam says, Celine, my fave streamer. Well, we won't tell Nick about that. But yes, your girl is going solo for the first hour here. So bear with me, chat. You know how I am sometimes. I get distracted, and I will try get to all of your comments, questions, and concerns in the chat. But yes, it's just me solo, so bear with me. Good morning for two. Good morning. See how short right now, Content Hunter? I mean, I don't know about that. Oil is up right now, up 7.8% right now. So CL shorts not looking so good. Oh, well. Look who we have here. We got Nick in the chat. Nick, don't you you should be at the gym. Why are you slacking? He'll be here with us soon, chat. But good to see you, Nick. I'm excited. The chat's excited. 3 hours. Let's go. Oh no, Cam Bam. He saw your comment. We're screwed later. Damn it, Nick. That you weren't meant to see that. Well, he said favorite girl streamer, I think. So you're off the hook. Lily says we've now programmed the AI to start solo. I'm the Witcher. I did quickly go over my plan. So yes, we're ranging. We're stuck in this consolidation, but pretty much if we do break out of this range, if we sweep, I'm hoping for a sweep of Asia high, previous 4 hour high, and then a dump, a nice short. That would be what I'm looking for. Just also, I think a bearish mindset looking at NQ right now, just with everything in the instability right now that's going on in the geopolitical space. I think wouldn't be such a bad short today. Oh, Nick says, at the gym, I ran a marathon yesterday without prep. I can't even walk anymore. Dude, that's on you. You told me it was a half marathon. Like, I can't even, we'll have to get into that later. I want to know how did that happen? Did you fall into like chicken's bait? Like, did he make you do it? I have no idea how you ended up doing a full marathon with no prep. Honestly, that's amazing. That is insane. I think Iron Man next for you, really. But I can't wait to hear about that. That's so exciting. Nick the Brick? What? Chad Cohen, I see you. What did he say? See, this is what happens when I stream on my own, guys. Sometimes I miss the comments. I did not see his comment there. No problems. I'm the Witcher. Yeah, guys, if you're also thinking of going like bears or bulls here, let me know what you guys are seeing. Like, obviously right now we're not seeing a whole lot, but I mean, if you guys can frame longs, tell me what you guys are looking at. Nick says, lol, I'll tell you the story after. Yes, I want to know everything. Also, was Chicken running it? Like, what's the go? Did you guys have a race? I bet what happened was Chicken was like, I can do the marathon in this amount of time. And then Nick couldn't help it. Like, he's got to win. He's got to be the competitor. So I wouldn't be surprised if that's what happened. But I can't wait to hear about it. Nick says, good morning, everybody. We're going to have him here in roughly around 45 minutes. So hold tight, guys. London gang will be together in just under an hour. But let's get some volume happening. This is like to start the Frankfurt Open, the first London session, 3-hour stream with this sort of price action. Not fun. Come on. Give us something to work with here. I just need to pop above that Asia high. Asia high sitting at 25,093. So if we can break, if we can sweep, honestly, we're very close. Yeah, Exy, I can't even say that username. Exy Katra says, I can barely do a 5K. A marathon is crazy. I'm working on it though. Honestly, I was also like trying to work on my running and everything. That was not too long ago, like until I sort of had to stop when I got to Bali because it's very hot and like heat training is just not for me. But 3 to 5Ks is hard enough. I know how it feels. So whenever someone says I just did a marathon, like insane, very insane. It takes months to prep, maybe even, I don't know, like years, like depends like your physical ability. But for Nick to just jump into a marathon with no prep is insane. That's why I can't wait to hear how he did it. Hey, Patrick's in the chat. Good morning, Patrick. Good to see Justin. Justin's in the chat. So good you guys are joining. I'm so glad the message got out there and you guys knew about the early stream because it was very all of a sudden. I'm glad to see you guys here. By the way, if you're just joining, and Nick, please don't get me in trouble, but I told them if we can get to 300 likes but before you get here, then we're gonna do a giveaway. So sorry. Sorry, not sorry. All right, Just Black says, looking at MES long with a stop at the bottom of this range, looking for an additional 15 points up from here. I just don't see bearish today. That and the EMA 9 daily is below us. EMA is not, I do not look at the EMA, so I can't comment on that, but I can see how you guys could be longing and trying to fill the gap right now. I totally see that. So thanks for sharing. I'm keeping an eye on this previous 4-hour high right now. But yeah, there is quite the gap to fill. So it'll be interesting to see what sort of price action we get come London session. And also just right now, like, are we going to get any sort of movement happening? Paul says, awesome numbers. What are we seeing? Let's see how much of the London gang is here right now. Let's see. All right, almost 300 of you. So 300 likes is not crazy. 300 likes is not crazy, you know. All of you just have to like the button, press the like button once, and your like stays. So even if people drop off, you know the rules, guys. It doesn't matter how many people are here right now. It just matters that we get to 300 likes. Patrick says, good morning. Good to see you. And Nick free and can spread your wings. I know, right? The freedom, Patrick. You don't understand. There's no dictatorship around here anymore. You know, we can say we hate ketchup without being like, oh, here we go. We're about to get the sweep. Without being told that's not good enough. So, you know what? We can hate ketchup and be free. Feels good. Oh no, dude. Nick, get out of here. Nick heard it, Patrick. I'm cooked later. Camille says, Selena, it's coming out of your pocket. You know what? I don't hate it. If it has to come out of my pocket, I will give you guys a giveaway. If we get to 300 likes and if it has to come out of my pocket, we'll do it. Because I just want to celebrate. Like, you guys are here. You're here early. I love it. like it's, what is it, 7 a.m. in UK right now, so appreciate it. Oh, there is the pop. And probably the biggest volume that we had traded right now for the entire Frankfurt Open. So that volume, 337, just in that 1 minute candle. So, and rising. Let's see. I do like that reaction there. If we can get now a bearish displacement to the downside, which would invert a 1 minute FVG, I will very much look to short this. Let's see, but that's sort of what you want to be seeing. Like, this definitely looks like the consolidation, the accumulation. This sweep would be now the manipulation, and I would love to be in the distribution to the downside. But whether or not I get that today is another question. But I'll be keeping an eye out. Make sure I don't fumble my accounts like I did on Thursday. That was so annoying. You guys weren't here. I accidentally entered a buy instead of a sell live on stream. And I was so confused until I watched the stream back and saw I clicked buy instead of sell. Yes, Tia, Jay says, but we're not 300 here. I know, but you guys should know. If we're not 300 here, don't worry. Don't worry. We will be. As long as we get to 300 likes before Nick gets here. That's the rules. What are we at? 168 likes. Guys, it's not bad. We're not far. You have to only hit 140 more likes. 100, my math is bad there. 132 more likes. And then I'll do it. Justin says, finally, Celine's AI access got upgraded for solo. Yes, they finally let me run free here, guys. I'm finally, like, AI has finally taken over Tradeify. I'm finally, like, fully built, fully machine operated here. They trust AI now to run it completely solo without going off tab. So, turns out I've had an upgrade. And yeah, we have Spudnik and we have Ketchup Nick, literally. And actually, they go hand in hand. Potato and ketchup. I mean, perfect match. Patrick, I miss your comment. That's hilarious. It says, guide the mob in your direction, Celine. Overthrow the overlord. I swear, Patrick, Nick doesn't know, but I can literally just tell Roman, let's not bring him on at 3. How about that? So, you gotta play nice here, Nick. Let's just watch NQ on these charts. So we do have a bullish 1 minute gap that I'm watching. If we do invert that, I will short. But otherwise, if this wants to break out and fill the entire gap, I don't hate it also. I can see how that could definitely be the case. Let's see what reaction we get. Mexican dancers. Okay, Nick, don't come until 300 likes. That's smart. Very smart by you, Mexican dance, but we'll see. Andrea, no, Claudia is not joining the stream, but she did such an amazing job on Friday. We love having Claudia here. She will probably pop in again, but not today, unfortunately. Just Black says 292 viewing. Yes, we're almost there, guys. 300 likes, and I'll do a giveaway if we get there before Nick. And whether I get fired for it or not, it's on me, chat. I just want to celebrate that you guys are here early and celebrating in the first 3 hour stream. So yes, 300 likes and we'll do it. 300 likes for a 3 hour stream before Nick gets here at 3. Everything's 3s today. 333. Justin says it's not White Tea Wednesday, Celine. Well, I just felt, you know what? Why not? White tea, it doesn't have to be just White Tea Wednesday. It felt like a Wednesday today, so why not? Why not wear a white tee? Hey, Leah, good morning. I forgot you started earlier today. Yes, I was hoping you guys saw, well, most of you were probably there on Friday when Nick announced it, but also saw my Instagram story. I did post on there as well, just in case some of you weren't there Friday for the announcement, because it was a very quick announcement. But yeah, I'm glad you guys are here, the OGs. Good morning, good morning. Listen, I know it's Monday, but why not have White Tea Wednesday today? Just because the dictator says it's a White Tea Wednesday doesn't mean we have to follow his rules, guys. We're not gonna let the dictator dictate us. All right, I'm actually gonna call it Monday White. We're gonna call it White Tea Monday. That's what we're gonna call it. I hope you heard that. Andre the Giant, what the hell are we having a new start time? Yes, what the hell indeed. We are going to be streaming 3 hours for the full London session now. So it will start 7 a.m. every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every day of the week. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy. And I hope you guys are here for the full 3 hours because honestly, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. We're going to do giveaways. We'll have Nick in. We'll have guests from time to time. It's going to be sick. So I know most of you are trading at this time anyway, so I'm just glad we can trade together now because I also am trading Frankfurt Open, as you guys know. I trade the full 4-hour candle from 2 a.m. to 6. So just to have you guys with me is just great. Now I can have company. Now we can talk. By the way, tell me if you guys are in these longs right now or took the breakout. Let me know. It does look good. Damn, Paul Professor says already 200 likes. You guys are not messing around today. You guys want that account? Okay, 210 likes. We're 90 likes away. If we get there before Nick comes in, that's it. Giveaway. Let's do it. Zaga, morning, just joined. Which trading view indicators are you using? I am using, one of them is called Session and Key Levels. Both my indicators that I use are built by Script Edge. Pretty much the other indicator is one that I had built for me personally, but you can get access to it. There's a link in my Instagram, but basically it just prints the high time frame. Let's see, I can show you here. Basically, it prints the high time frame that you choose and the intermediate time frame that you choose. So I use the 4-hour and the 15, and I look for an alignment between them. And then it also just shows me like the developing IFVGs, whether it's been confirmed in inversion yet. It shows me when the sweeps have been confirmed. So it like changes from a solid line to a dashed line, just so it's a very visual way for me to trade, so I don't have to worry so much. And it also has this awesome tracker down the bottom, so I can, if I am sometimes looking at the chat and sometimes I get distracted and miss setups on stream. It has happened before, so now I have this built-in tracker so I can know when levels have been swept and when I need to be looking for my setup. So yeah, it sort of just helps me visualize the way I like to trade. But you can go and get even like the sessions and key levels one. It's completely free. It's just you can find it in the indicators list. All right, so right now I'm gonna waiting for the new 15-minute candle to open. It looks like we have just pumped higher into this gap here. So I will wait for the new 15-minute to print and hopefully sweep and then take this lower. Nice. 91 Maverick is in the NQ longs. Very nice. Peter says, let's go fill the gap for no reason. I mean, it looks like we're heading that way. It looks like we're just going to fill this gap. But fundamentally, like, I see NQ going lower. So I'm not jumping into anything yet. I will wait for my setup, wait patiently as normal. Not going to rush anything. Good morning, Trader Room. Hi, yo, sup. Let's go. Missy Toodle, Celine, how long did it take you to get profitable? Okay, so I spent the entire of 2024 just learning trading. Like, so pretty much from when was it? December of 2023, I started looking into trading, and then I spent the entire 2024 just learning everything there was, blowing evals, like finalizing, sort of like narrowing down my strategy and just trying out whole different things on the charts, back testing everything. And then got my first payout in 2025 in April. So it took me that whole 16 months to see money. So that was tough. That was tough. But yeah, I wouldn't change it. I didn't want to rush anything. And honestly, like, it can take people, I know, like 6 months to see money and make money in the charts, but it took me that long, and that's fine. That was my journey. I needed to spend all that time backtesting and learning, and just learning from the losses. Honestly, that was the majority of it. I was losing, and I was reflecting, and I was journaling, and just making sure that I was not repeating mistakes. That was the hardest thing for me, because I would blow an account and I'd say, okay, I'm not going to do it this time, and I'm just going to trade smaller, and I'm going to do this, but I would still be repeating the same things, or my strategy just wasn't working. And what I thought how I like to trade, like, definitely changed. I mean, looking at 5-minute charts, I don't do that anymore. I just trade the 1 minute. I really have narrowed down the system now, and that took me a long time. But here we are. Katie, can you please link it again? What would you like me to link, Katie? Oh, my Instagram? Yes, I can do that. I'll do that right now, because I'm not seeing anything yet that I like to trade. All right. Oh, the free indicator. Okay, let me see if I can just get you the script edge trading view. Then you can see all of their scripts. All right, here we go. Guys, if you follow this link, you'll be able to see all the scripts from Script Edge, which I use the session and key levels one. And you'll also be able to see my other one that I use on there. All right, what else? How many evals did you go through before you started to see change? I know, like, you guys probably won't believe this, but honestly, like, not many. I didn't have the idea. I just didn't like the idea of losing money, and even though, like, it was probably better for me now that I look back to just blow the account and be done with it. I used to sit on evals for a while. So when my drawdown started to get bigger and bigger, I just used to trade like really small size, like 1 micro. So I could have like 5 winning trades and be on 1 micro. And so, like, I wouldn't actually blow the account, but I also wasn't getting anywhere with that account. Like, my risk management has changed so much since then. But gosh, like, how many? I feel like under 10. I feel like I've answered this on stream before. I haven't really got it documented, but I would say under 10, definitely. Definitely did not want to spend like hundreds and thousands like on evals. I just wanted to, I sort of used evals and the evaluation stages back then as like my practice environment. I wanted to have real money risking, because I know there is such a thing as like when you're paper trading, and you know, you don't have your actual money risking there. I don't think mentally you can compare that to like really having bought the eval, and then the way you would trade that is a little bit different. So I wanted to really test myself mentally and have like real money in these accounts. And when I say in the accounts, I mean like the money I put up to buy the eval. And so, yeah, I didn't want to keep blowing them and keep spending thousands if I just didn't know what I was doing yet. So that was my logic behind it. I was like, if I don't know what I'm doing, if I'm not profitable, like, why should I just keep buying accounts? So yeah, that's why I would sit on these evals and use them as like a real practice ground for myself. So actually, just looking at NQ right now, we are getting a reaction to the sweep of Asia high. We are dropping a little bit here now. I would prefer us to, well, for my model, I need to see a sweep of previous 15-minute high right now. So that would be 25,119. If we can get a sweep of that, I will definitely look for my shorts. How many languages do you know? That's so random. Honestly, just English. I could try like a little bit of French, a little bit of Greek. I just like I cannot speak anything fluent other than English. That's so random. Hey, Ozempic's here. I woke up early to support the Sami musical hours. Hakuna Matata, Ozempic, right? Because you say I'm Pumbaa, right? But I'm glad you're here, Ozempic. As much as we have a love-hate relationship, I am so glad that you're up early. Justin says I went through 3K of evals before. Oh, 100%. I think many people have gone through hundreds and thousands, like more than that, Justin. Like, I just wasn't wanting to do that. I didn't want to risk so much of my own capital before I knew like I had a system, before I knew how I'd like to trade. Like, that was just me, more risk averse. And I don't know. I think for my mental, like the mental strain that would have while I was still learning, like still in the learning phase, to be blowing so much of my own capital, like that would have crushed me too. So I think that's another reason. I think mentally it was better for me not to keep putting money into evals. Oh, Brandon Baker says I can pass an evaluation no problem, then completely shit the bed in the funded stage. 100%. Like that will happen hundreds and thousands of times, and like that has happened to me. And I think like the best way to see it is just it's not any different to the eval stage. Do not like try to put it in your mind that it's any different, because if you think about it, like you do such a good job to pass, you make that X% it is to pass your account. If you just do that again, that instead of passing, you'll actually make money. So just don't change anything. There's no reason to change anything about the way you trade when you get funded. That's that's one thing I'll say. You got to really get out of your mind that it's because it's called a funded account that you should treat it any different. But yeah, if you did the work to get passed, yeah. Although some of you might be full porting to get passed, I know. Not a dumb idea, but if you are just using it and trading a strategy properly in the eval stage, and you get passed and you make that X%, do the same thing and that'll turn into a payout. Paul says hundreds and thousands like the sprinkles. I didn't remember. Did I say that? But yes, exactly like the sprinkles. Gulshan says, what's your stream start time? So we start now, guys. If you're just joining, by the way, hello, surprise. I'm here early. We're starting now at 7 a.m. UK time. So that is 2 a.m. Eastern time and 7 a.m. UK time. That will be the new start time for our stream. And then we will go all the way up until 10 a.m. UK. So that is 5 a.m. Eastern. Wherever you guys are in the world, I hope that makes sense. But it's a 3-hour stream now instead of the usual 1.5 hours. Nick will be joining us very soon, very, very soon. So get ready. But yeah, we're here for the full 3 hours with you guys. Katie, did you have a mentor or learned yourself? Never had a mentor, have never paid for a mentorship, I got all of my learning done via YouTube, via ICT. Yes, I did learn a lot about trading and trading concepts through ICT's free YouTube. So yeah, in that way, I never like had an actual, I mean, you could say, is he my mentor? Not really, because I never paid him or had no like communication with the guy, but I used his breakdowns, his chart analysis, his tutorials, his lectures. I used all of that. So yeah, I mean, very controversial. There are parts of his lectures and things you can totally miss, but I did gain a lot of insight from learning from his concepts. And I know, like, okay, they're branded ICT concepts. That's who I learned them from. But I know if you go way back, like there's people like Wyckoff that have very similar concepts. So yeah, whatever you want to call it, FEGs, gaps, like imbalances, it's all the same. But we won't get into that because we're going to have a war in the chat in a minute. Chad says, will this be your new time after you move away from Bali? Yes. No matter where I am in the world, guys, I am constantly moving, but no matter where I am, I will always be here for the 7 a.m. UK start. So yeah. Brandon says definitely nice not having to wait until 3 a.m. for the stream. Yeah, I love that. I mean, I assume that most of you guys are already trading, you Europeans or like the Americans who are already up at 3 a.m. Like it would make sense that you're up anyways. So why not trade together, right? So I'm always trading this 2 a.m. I know there are times when I miss trades because I'm not at the desk. So now I have no excuse. I can be at the desk, take the trades, and trade it live, be with you guys live, and we can have fun. We can do giveaways earlier. We can do multiple giveaways now. I mean, I might get fired for saying that, but why not do multiple giveaways, right? But yes, Type 3 says Celine Concepts. That let's not do that because I could get absolutely sued for that. Not rebranding those at all. The way I trade uses ICT Concepts. Indeed. All right, I am not getting the sweep of that previous 15-minute high, am I? Gonna have to wait now for the next 15-minute to open, but I like the move to the downside. I do like it. We look at the 1 hour right now, we have little to no bottom wick. So it would be nice to see the 1 hour flip bearish and be in the distribution of that also. But it looks nice for now. We can see we've retraced some of this gap. We have filled it. But I wouldn't be shocked to see some sort of pullback now or move to the downside based on the fact that we have swept out Asia high. Previous 4 hour high is also swept. We're also reacting in this 1 hour gap at the moment. So let's see. Let's see if we get a move to the downside here. For me to get involved though, I do want to see another sweep of a previous 15-minute high for me to get involved. Oh, there you go. Yes, Sod, I just saw your comment. When are you planning to enter? That was my analysis again. That's what I'm looking for. But yeah. Oh, Ivan says I'm tired. It's 12 over here, but it's the only time my kids let me trade. Oh, I know. It must be so hard. Honestly, hats off to you guys who are parents and trade while you have kids. Like, I obviously don't have kids just yet, but I can't imagine like how hard it's going to be eventually when I have kids. I mean, Rebecca does it. She's a gun. She has a kid. She does it and does it flawlessly. But it's hard. It is hard, especially like the hours of trading. Like, depending where you are in the world as well, I guess, can make it easier or make it harder for you guys. But I mean, if 12 a.m. that's the only time you can trade, I guess it is what it is. That's what we always say. Leia says, smash that button and support your favorite girl. Hell yeah. Thanks, Leia. Let's see what we're at, actually. Let's see what we're at. Okay. 254 likes. Guys, we're not far. We only need less than 50 likes for us to do a giveaway. And I need those. We need 50 likes before Nick gets here. And Nick is going to be here very soon. So if we get here and our stream's already at 300 likes, it's going to be epic. And I want to do a giveaway. I want to do 2 giveaways. I want to do multiple giveaways because today is just a day to celebrate. First 3 hour stream, first 3 hour stream, what did I say? 300 likes for the first 3 hour stream. For the new, before 3 a.m. That was it. 333. Before 3 a.m. Eastern. Jean-Francois says, hello, Celine. Oh, you did Celine with the French accent. That's cool. What's the indicator at the bottom right that determines your bias and how does it work? Yeah, so that's not a bias that can sort of be used like in general for everyone. That bias is based on the 4 hour because that's how I like to trade. So I let the 4 hour dictate what I'm looking for in the London session. So right now we've swept out previous 4 hour high. So I'm looking for a reversal or like a distribution to the downside based on that. That's why that bias is now bearish. High time frame sweep is ticked because we did have the 4 hour sweep, and now I'm looking for the intermediate time frame also to sweep. So the intermediate time frame that I use is a 15-minute. I use 4 hour, 15-minute, 1 minute for execution, and that's the alignment I use. And the indicator, you can change like what high time frame you want to look at if you want to trade like the daily to the 1 hour to the 5 minute alignment. Can totally do that if you want to trade weekly, daily. Like you can change those levels in the indicator. I just have it set to. I have this set to where is it? 4 hour and 15. So you can change that however you like. But that is the model I use. I look for that alignment between two high time frames and then execute on the 1 minute based on that. Wick Super says 250 was the original number. Hell no, it wasn't. Why are you lying? As Nick would say. No. 300 likes, guys, and that was it. I'm not as stupid as you may think. You can't trick me, guys. Leo Grossman. What's the name of the indicator? It is the Celine Trades model, only because it's based on, I had this developed with the developer myself, but what? Paul Provinces, I could have sworn I heard 252. Guys, no, never. It was 300 likes. It was 333. I remember 300 likes because we're celebrating the 3 hour stream and we need it done before 3 a.m. That was it. It was 333. Wait, we got to 300? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is epic. Guys, let's have a look. Oh, hell yeah, we did it, chat. We did 300 likes before Nick got here. All right, we're going to do a giveaway. Let's wait. We won't do it just yet because Nick will join us and we'll do it together. This is going to be epic, you guys. I'm so glad we can do multiple giveaways now. I hope I'm not getting fired, but why not? Why not? This is going to be fun. Let's do like actually, we'll do a spin the wheel because Nick has a spin the wheel ready and everything. We'll do a spin the wheel to pick the account. And then we'll do a spin the wheel to pick the winner. This is so exciting. Guys, 3 hours stream is going to be so fun. Going to be sick. But yes, W's for you guys for getting there within... We started this stream only like 40 minutes ago. So you guys are doing the work. Well done, well done. Mexican dancers has got to be 3 giveaways because it's 333. Nope. I don't know about that. Then I quite literally might be fired and you might never see me again. Justin says, put the shrimps on the barbie, yeah? That's such a... Why did I do that with an English accent? That's such an Aussie slang. Shrimps on the barbie. Shrimps on the barbie. Oh, Aussies. We do have some strange sayings. Also, for the Aussies, this is probably a better hour, right? What is it there right now? It is 2:45. It's 4:45 p.m. So I feel like that's better for you guys. Morning, Tim Trades. Morning to those who are just finding out that we streamed an hour early from now on, by the way. If you guys just found the stream, yes, we're here from 7 a.m. UK time now. But I'm glad you guys are here early. I'm excited. I'm excited. This is going to be a new thing, guys. We can trade together for 3 hours now. It's going to be epic. Is there really such a thing as a huntsman farm? No. I mean, do let me know. I have no idea what the hell that is. In Australia, I mean, we have huntsmen, but we don't have what the hell is a huntsman farm? Tim says, I like that you start earlier now. Yes, I'm so glad. I'm glad to be here with you guys nice and early. Nice and early. We love it. We love the charts. We're all addicts and we're all trading anyway. So we may as well trade together, right? So it's going to be good. Right now, guys, I'll just let you know also because NQ hasn't actually had any sort of follow through to the downside. So I could be still getting my previous 15-minute sweep right here. We are about to get some London volume happening too. Today wasn't the best Frankfurt session, Frankfurt Open. We just chopped around pretty much. We tried to make a break for it here and still didn't get a follow through to the upside. Then we looked like we were going to drop, still nothing. So nothing exciting, not the usual we like to see, but it is Monday. Mondays aren't always fun, and it's a Monday after quite a big sort of shit show in the war news. So what can we expect? Suwu says, just got back from the Gold Coast. What are your thoughts on the coast as an Aussie? All right, crazy news. I've never been. I have lived in Australia all my life and I've never actually made it up to the Gold Coast. So I cannot say from personal experience, but I know many people that have gone and love it. It is sort of like a real Aussie experience, the Gold Coast. You get your whole shrimp on the barbie Aussies up there. They're very cool, very typical, but they love the beaches. You got awesome weather in the Gold Coast, mostly always sunny. It is the hottest, I think, the hottest state in Australia. So if you love the beach, if you love that sort of lifestyle, Gold Coast is awesome. Damn, Shen Long says it's 1:45 for me. Good morning, Celine. Shen Long, I am so appreciative that you're here at 1:45 trading with my white screens, because a whole bunch of people were complaining in the beginning that I have white screens when it's 2 a.m. for some of you guys. So I'm glad that you're here. And you know what? You guys who hate my white screens trading at this hour, get used to it. Damn. Bestie Jane Town says, one day we need to do London to NY stream. That is epic. I'm going to screenshot that. That is a one crazy comment. Like, imagine just you have Tradeify TV all day with you guys. London all the way up and we pass it over to Sputnik in the New York Open. That would be hilarious. But that would also be, I mean, let's not say it's not doable. It could potentially happen one day. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if you can trade with us all day one day. And yeah, we're going to wait to do the giveaway, by the way, guys. We'll wait for Nick because he has the spin the wheels ready. I did not have any of that prepared. So we'll wait for Nick and I'll give him the news. We are going to do a giveaway from when he joins. And yeah, why not? We got a lot to celebrate here. Let's see how many of you are here right now also. Let's see how many of you have found the early start. 4:30 of you guys here. So why not do a giveaway? Dude Monkey said NT is the hottest. Oh yeah, well obviously, like, okay, yes, obviously NT would be the hottest. That is the closest to the equator out of Australia, but Gold Coast still gets a lot of sun though. Isn't that why they call it the Gold Coast? I mean, just saying. Leah says white screens and teas will keep the folks from falling asleep. That's the idea, right, Leah? Like, I'm trying to keep you guys alert. You guys have to be ready to trade this, you Americans who are up at crazy hours. Like, I'm wearing the white tee. You can look at me. You can look at your charts. It's all bright around here. So stay awake. Guys, are you in any trades right now? Like, I have not sadly entered anything or had a setup. Gold had a bit of a drop. Don't have a setup on gold at the moment. Gold did have a similar, what I was looking for to happen on NQ. So swept out Asia high. We sweep a previous 4-hour high, but didn't quite get the sweep with that previous 15-minute the way I wanted. It's looking nice. Interesting. Honestly, when it's like the whole war and everything going on in the Strait of Hormuz right now, like with the instability, I don't expect gold to dump or to have like an intense drop. I do expect gold to pump in times like this, but who knows? You just never know. Maybe they're going to turn around and say tomorrow there's a ceasefire and everything's all good. These are very difficult times to be trading in, honestly. Like, if you guys just started your trading journey, welcome, because if you can learn to trade these sort of market conditions when there's just so much shit going on that's just not even related to price action, just in fundamentals, and you can still learn to trade and make money in these markets, you will do very well. Very well. Let me tell you. Angia says, it's okay, I can never win a giveaway on Tradeify. Angia, don't be negative. Don't be negative. This is it. This is your time. You will win. I mean, it just probability says if you keep entering the giveaways, you have to. Probability has to play out, right? One time you're going to win. At least once. Maybe more. It's crazy that we literally have a guy in the chat. I don't know if you're here, Trader Ben, but he has won 4 times. And why can't that be you, Angia? Just saying. Just saying. Content Hunter still in a CL short. Let's see. Oh hell, what the guys, what the fuck is going on to oil now? The hell? I don't know. I tend to just not. I don't like to trade oil. I rarely trade gold day trading. Like if I was in oil, I'd probably be in a long-term trade. But in terms of like day trading, I'm just gonna stick to NQ. Oil and it's just freaking me out. I'm with Andrea, never won. Well, maybe we should do it like as soon as, like, cause maybe Trader Ben, like he joins later on in the stream. So maybe we do the giveaway in the next 10 or so minutes. Maybe you guys have better luck without him here. Listen, it's not rigged. It can't be rigged. Do you guys see us do it live? We spin the wheel literally in front of you all. Amid Jutja, would you mind sharing your trading view indicator with me? Yes. I can just share the developer who made the indicator. I'll just share his because I'm using multiple indicators right now. I'm using 2. They're both done by this developer. So if you want, you can go straight to the developer's trading view page. Then you can see all the scripts. I use a session in key levels and I use the Selene Trades model. Yes. Trader Ben is Selene. Plot twist. Haha, I am Trader Ben. Lol, no. Why would I want to win accounts? Guys, no. It's not rigged. Montri, when will you run the giveaway? I'm going to wait for Nick to come. Nick will be here any minute and then we'll do the giveaway because he has the wheels. He has it all set up, ready to go, and we'll do it with Nick. That way he also doesn't feel left out, right? The randomizer has a bias towards some names. Wicksweeper, what sort of logic could you possibly give to a wheel to, like, I don't know, to have a bias towards what, someone's name who starts with T? Like, what, are they weighted heavily if their name starts with T? I don't know what kind of logic you think we could put in there, honestly. That is a crazy theory. That is hilarious, though. Oh, Jackie, can you give a short brief of your strategy? Absolutely. Let's quickly, I can quickly do that. Nick will be joining us soon, so I'm keeping an eye on the room in case he joins. But basically, I look for a sweep of 2 time frames, and when they're aligned, I take an execution on the 1-minute chart. So for me, it's the previous, I look for a sweep of the previous 4-hour, and this is, say, a bearish context. I look for a sweep of the previous 4-hour high aligned with the previous 15-minute high because those timeframes align nicely. And I basically want to be in the distribution to the downside once we get that sweep. So I'm looking for, it uses PO3, AMD, whatever you want to call it. I want to be in the distribution. I want the sweep to act as the manipulation. And then once I have those 2 timeframes aligned, so I'm not just shorting in the middle of nowhere, like the 15-minute sort of anchors me. So when I have that sweep, I can sort of know, okay, now we could be in the distribution of the 15-minute here. And usually what you tend to see in the London session is a sort of like a reversal, or we get like a sweep of Asia, high or low. And then when that's aligned, when previous 4-hour high or low is aligned with Asia, it's also even stronger. And as well as that, if there's a high time frame FVG, like for example, in the bearish scenario, if we tap into a high time frame, a 4-hour bearish gap, that's even more A+ for the strategy. So it just means that we have all these things stacked against us to say that this is the point of reversal. So it is a reversal system. It doesn't have any sort of continuation set up, but that is the way I like to trade the London. In New York, I don't trade this. Similar, but does not use the 4-hour anything. Like it is sort of different. But yeah, that is a breakdown. I hope that makes sense. Wake Nick up, he's slacking. I know, someone better call Nick, remind him that he's got a job. He's probably sleeping, honestly. That guy ran a marathon over the weekend, guys, if you did not know, which I cannot wait to quiz him on that, because what the hell? He had no prep. He told us on stream it was a half marathon, and then he turns out he just went and ran a full marathon. So we will get the full explanation for that one. But Until then, I haven't yet had a setup, sadly. Not what I wanted to have first 3-hour stream. I wanted to already have been in these markets, but NQ is not giving me anything right now. Nothing. Oh, Patrick's in a trade. Celine, I took longs, by the way, from 25.104 SL at 24.097 TP above highs. All right, Patrick. Godspeed. I hope these longs work out for you. So TP is above the highs. 104 was his entry. 104. Okay, nice. Took this little bounce. And I'm guessing, where's your TP at though? Which highs? Stop loss 25.097. Yeah, the low here. Gotcha, Patrick. Looks good. I hope you get this. And then if you can pull back to me and give me my shorts, that'd be nice. Yes, you have to go to the author's website to sign up for access. Oh yeah, sorry. Thanks, guys. You do have to go to I think the Script Edge website to get access to that indicator. So how do you do in the New York session? Oh, what do you do in the New York session? Still look for a sweep and reversal system, but it's a lot less like in sort of like in terms of rules. Like it's more fluid because New York can just have these crazy moves and spikes that are just unexplainable and not as consistent. Like also the way that price can sometimes just run. In the New York session, sometimes my entry doesn't always have to be an inversion. It can sometimes be like if the stop loss is too far, I can have an entry that's sort of like a pullback, like into a 1 minute FVG or something like that. So the entries and all that is a lot different. But in terms of like the system itself, reversal model is the way I trade in New York. But guys, it is that time of the day that I'm joined by a certain somebody. He's just joined me in the back room. So I don't have to speak to myself anymore, guys. It's exciting, but it's time. I'm looking forward to this. I get to introduce to you the whitey wearing, hair never moving, GP trading, biohacking, Mewtwo catching, steak with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat batting, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI, full porting, full marathon running, the one and only Nicholas Wickless. Let's bring him on.
Good morning, everybody.
Hey,
how we doing?
How are you?
Hey, this is so cool to get introed. I swear.
I am so glad. It's crazy that like I got to do that. Lucky I have it all written and ready to go from last Thursday because I had practice for that. But how are you going?
Good. I can't walk anymore. Everything hurts, but outside of that, good. Also, roll 2079 says, "Don't forget annoying." Yo, chill, okay? Chill, brother. Nah, I'm dead.
Yeah, I want to get into that. Like, should we just cut the trade talk right now? And you did what? You did what on the weekend?
Stupid shit. Really
crazy.
Yeah. Roman says, "Are you sure you sound up to the microphone?" No, you're right, Roman. My mic is not picking up anything. Wait. I know what the problem is. Give me 1 second. I know what the problem is.
All good. Leia picked up on it too. We'll work out Nick's mic, but we are finally London Session Gang together for the next 2 hours with you guys. Mm-hmm. And Nick, these guys smashed already a little light goal that I gave them. Wait, don't speak yet. Let's wait for your mic to work. Let's wait.
Fixed. Oh.
Hello. Yep. It's all good.
Yep. It's all fixed. Okay.
Yes.
I did some stupid shit this weekend. I can tell the story. London is open now, obviously, so we're pushing higher, which is nice. But okay, so here's what I did. I signed up for the half marathon a year ago, and then Chicken So Chicken actually wanted to sign up for to do the marathon, the full marathon, then the half marathon, and then the 10K, like all three after each other.
No.
And the problem was he booked all tickets, but they told him he can't do that. Funny enough, other people were able to do it. He just couldn't for whatever reason. So it was good anyways though, because he was injured, so he couldn't run. And he just had the marathon ticket, the full marathon ticket. And then one morning before the marathon, or like before my half marathon, randomly I had this thought like, wait, he has a full marathon ticket. What if I would do like a full marathon without prep? And then I was like, I don't know, is this smart? Probably not, but would it be fun? I don't know, maybe. And then I was like, yo, Chicken, do you still have this marathon ticket? He was like, yes. I'm like, what if I run under your name?
No way.
And then, somehow I ended up doing that and did the full marathon instead of the half marathon under his name. So I got a did not start under my half marathon name, but I completed his full marathon, and it was so painful. Like I've done three official full marathons before. No wait, two official ones and two unofficial ones. And this one was the most painful of all, because like when you don't train,
of course,
it's just terrible. Yeah,
that is great.
Just Black, what's a marathon in miles? I don't even know what it is in miles. Let's see. 26.2 miles.
Insane.
It's 42.2 kilometers.
So were you prepped? Like, did you have things on you? Like, you know, like during a marathon, didn't you have to take, you know, your salts and your like hydration things, and like, were you prepped for a full run? What the hell? What?
No.
You had nothing on you for the full run?
No, I mean, they had snack stations, right? So.
Dude, what the hell? You're lucky you like ended that alive, honestly.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wig Sweeper says, thought you hate to run, Nick. Yes, I do hate to run.
Yeah, like and what went through your mind? Like, that would be fun.
I still hate it. And I said yes.
I think you just love challenging yourself. I think that's it.
I took it just as a mental challenge, honestly. It was like, fuck it. I mean, but I told my fiance and my friends yesterday, I'm not gonna do a marathon again. This shit is so stupid. But
like you're done forever?
My fiance also made it like a super funny sign. It said like there was Dory on it, right, from Finding Nemo, and it says like, I'm never running a marathon again. Oh look, a race.
That's so good.
That was kind of funny.
I know, literally, because you were on stream here saying, no, I'm just gonna do the half marathon, and then I was shocked when I saw your story.
It was pain. It was pain.
Top three? What are we talking?
Huh?
What did you run in the end?
Well, it was the worst one I ever did. So my fastest one was 3 hours and 58 minutes, and this one was 4 hours and 26.
Not even bad, honestly. The fact you finished.
It was bad. But it was so funny. Look, I can show you. So let's get into some stats here. Wait, gotta share my other screen. Here we go. So after a certain after 24 kilometers, that was. So initially I had the goal to do the half marathon without prep under 2 hours, right? So 1 hour something. And so I was like, during the full marathon, I was like, wait, I can still do the first half in under 2 hours. So I did that in 1:56. And then so I just completely died after like 24 kilometers. And it's so funny. If you look at the stats, let's see, not walk, what the heck? Here. So if you look at the stats, after 24 kilometers, my legs completely cramped up and I couldn't run anymore, right? So I had to do like walk, jog. I forced myself. It was like, okay, until this pole I can walk, and then once I reach it, I have to run, and then I have to run until this sign there, and then I can walk again. I have to walk until this this next freaking traffic light, and then I can run again.
etc. So like you see this in the polls here. Look, it's like walk, run, walk, run, walk, run, walk, run, walk.
That would be me. But like honestly, you must have a very strong mental like headspace because I could not. If my legs were dead, like I'm first to give up. But it's same in trading. Like your discipline to finish that race, Nick. Like well done, honestly.
Thank you. Yeah,
Very good.
It took a lot. I'm not gonna do this again.
Well, that's what you say. But
Chad, who here has done a marathon before? Full one, not a half. Half doesn't count.
Me, never. I was talking to them before about running. Like I really tried to get into my running prep like last year, like before Bali. And 5Ks is like a lot for me. So
I understand. Don't blame you. Fuck running.
God, fuck running. I'm just about to enter a short, actually. By the way, all right, I just entered.
All right. Let's go to your charts, and then let's see it. So how is it streaming Frankfurt Open?
I mean, it's lonely, but I told them I get to free reign, like we can talk shit without you being here, but it's fun. We didn't get a trade today until now, sadly, but
so
it's
maybe
been fun.
We might get one now. Let's see. You just did. So you just did.
We will see. Stop is only 14 points on this, and I'm just gonna try take it. I was saying, so we obviously have this massive gap down from the news. I mean, what do you see right now? Actually, you can tell us what you think. But I'm in shorts.
Okay. Let me pull up the 15-minute charts here really quick, because I just literally came to the charts. To be fair. So obviously Trump fucked up again, and we got the overnight gap because of that, which we're all aware of. So the question is, are we going to fill the gap today, right? Are there shorts in between the gap fill? Yes, of course, like the one you're in just now. Can it be that those hit? Absolutely. But I think overall, it's more a long kind of day to go fill this gap back up to 25,308. So still about 200 points from here. So yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, and I said similar. I said like definitely we could probably be heading for that gap, like potentially New York session. Even we could make a run for it, but I still think like you could still potentially take shorts. It just means it might not be as long holding. But let's see.
Yeah. T135 says, I did 1-2 yesterday, but definitely did a lot of training. Can't imagine raw dogging a marathon. Then he says, I could start smelling colors after 37 kilometers.
What the hell does that mean?
Yeah, it's just like you're in so much pain, your brain just starts making up shit, you know?
Oh my God, yeah. Hallucination.
It was funny.
Sorry, what were we going to say?
No, all good. Go ahead.
We hit a like goal, so that's what I was trying to tell you before. So I already promised these guys an account.
I saw it. Fire.
We smashed 300 likes, and I said if we do it before Nick gets here, I'll do a giveaway. But we said we'll wait for you because you have all the spin the wheels at the ready.
The wheel power. You know what? We're gonna do this epic wheel that we came up with during the New York session. So Roman, let's go to my screen really quick. So we have this wheel now where we spin if it's a growth, select, or lightning account. And then we have all of them on the right side, 25K,
Nice.
50K, 100K, 150K. So we spin the wheel first, and then we pick a winner, okay?
Oh, okay, I like it.
That's how we do it. Or should we pick a winner first and then spin the wheel? What do you want, chat? Should we first pick the giveaway prize or first pick the winner?
That could be really like exciting if they don't know what they've won yet, but they know like there is something to win. Yeah, pick first. I think they're gonna. Oh wait, spin first.
Spin the wheel first. Yeah, spin which wheel first? Like the winner wheel or pick winner? Pick winner.
All right, let's do numbers.
Winner first.
Winner
Pretty
first,
even, but I would say winner first wins. So. All right, chat. If you want to take part in this giveaway, for those people who asked how to take.
Nick, your voice is going already.
Yeah, my voice is going. Hell yeah. Because it was super cold yesterday actually.
Oh shit.
During the marathon. So If you want to participate, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, you will get disqualified as well. There you go. We're first going to pick the winner, and then we're going to see what he or she wins.
Exciting to have a giveaway this early, chat, but they did it very quick. These guys, so it's exciting.
Yeah.
What was the weather like? Oh yeah, go.
YT Monday. I like it.
Oh, did you see? Yeah, I said, you know what? It's gonna be YT Monday from now on.
I heard everything.
Why not?
I just didn't feel like responding to everything.
Okay, good. What else did we say, chat? Nothing too bad. We didn't say anything too bad.
Nah, it was okay.
I behaved. Anyway, right now
you're doing great. You're doing great, Solo.
It's hard, honestly, like talking to myself and keeping myself entertained here.
Yep.
But it's good. At least we get to talk shit now for 2 hours in trade.
Oh wait, that's so smart.
What?
Lior says, dude, skip it and give it to me. It's easy.
Oh.
Let's just give it to him.
Why didn't you say so?
Yeah, let's just give it to him.
earlier.
That's so genius.
All right, okay. All you have to do is put your email address in.
Jonathan, the Google form is done once per stream, not per live.
Did Chicken end up running the race? What did he do?
No, he was injured.
Oh, right, he was injured.
I ran with his ticket.
Yeah, but I thought maybe he did like the half or something.
Yeah, he's a chicken. So chicken out again, you know?
Classic chicken.
Chicken out again. No, but he supported. His girlfriend, and also
Oh, that's cool.
My fiance, my best friend's wife, they were all there. It was cool.
Oh, that's the best. Did you have like a big meal after the marathon to load up all those calories?
We had fondue after. It was great.
Nice.
I burned 6,000 calories yesterday.
Of course you did. You ran a full marathon. Jeez.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
But now everything hurts. Like if you see me with this massage gun thingy.
Oh yeah.
Streams today, London stream, New York stream, all the streams.
Yeah.
You know what I'm doing.
You need to go to the spa. You should be going for a massage or something today.
That's a good idea, actually. All right, see you guys.
Just saying. I mean, I would be, for sure.
Yeah, I'll go later probably. But I mean, the thing is, with like sore muscles, it is always even my back hurts so bad. It's like always worse on day 2. So today is already super bad. Think about tomorrow.
Yeah, it's the same. Oh my gosh, yeah, I know the pain. Like if I haven't been to the gym, like if I skip or whatever, like been on holiday and I don't go for a week, and then you go and train like legs or something, that sort of pain in the muscles, that's the worst.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, like lactic acid or whatever the hell it is, it fucking kills.
Oh. I'm just massage gunning my back right now. Ow. Fuck.
Oh, NQ's not doing anything entertaining here. This is boring.
Ooh, okay, VIX just opened. Every day, 8:15 UK time, VIX opens. Huge gap on VIX as well, from 19 up to 21.19. So.
Oh yeah, G4G is saying everyone's worried about you. Everyone's giving you like health advice, but magnesium, yes. Magnesium will help.
Magnesium, yeah, electrolytes in general.
What else do they say? Yes, Leah. Oil pumped. It's up like 7% or something.
Brick Scaler says running under Chicken's name is gonna get you both banned. I don't give a fuck. I'm never gonna go again. They can ban me, whatever. I don't care. Lior says, Nick, let's do marathon together. How about no?
You sound like you've been defeated. Like even your voice is going now as well.
Well, I'm gone.
Did
I
you?
would prefer to just sit in a sauna the entire day today.
Did you try like sleep in or anything, or were you back to normal?
Yeah,
routine?
I slept an hour longer than usual.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Yep. I'm the Witcher. Yes, Selena's in shorts.
Yes, currently.
Yeah, let's pick a winner for this giveaway.
Yeah. Giveaway time.
And we're gonna do 2 giveaways today, chat. Because
why not?
Because why not? All right. Boom. Let's see who wins here. Let's see. Adding the names. Okay, so the winner of the first giveaway of this week on Tradeify TV is Fidobetto, a pizza margherita.
I love that name.
Mamma mia.
Imagine he's not Italian.
Yeah, probably he's like Chinese or something. But put something in the chat. Fidobetto. And then we're gonna spin and see what you win.
This is even more exciting. Like, imagine being on the other side right now. You don't know what you've won, but you won something. This is exciting.
Yeah. Also, Jonathan, send me your freaking address. I want to send you your pizza that you won on Friday. Send me a DM on Instagram. I'll send you the pizza.
Shut the hell up. You're going to actually send him pizza.
Of course I'm going to send him the pizza. I promised.
What do you mean send him pizza?
I'll send him pizza.
You're going to ship him a box of pizza?
Yes.
Lies.
No. You should just give me his address. Fidobetto says hi, thanks. Okay. So let's see what you win.
All right, let's do it.
Select growth or lightning. Let's see. Fidobetto wins. Fidobetto wins. Ooh, a growth. Okay. 50k growth, it looks like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, so now we spin...
growth.
50K
so,
growth.
Fidobetto, now you can let me know. Oh, these giveaways are getting like multi-step giveaways. Now you can let me know, do you want to play a game of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or because it's first 3-hour London stream, 5. You can win up to 5 accounts right now if you want to spin again. There is a 20% chance, actually no, there is a less than 20% chance that you land on 0. And you can win up to 5 accounts. So let me know. Do you want to spin this wheel? Yes or no? Whatever number it lands on, that's how many accounts you win.
Imagine 5 50k accounts right now. I mean, I'm not trying to push that on you, but he says, let's go. Hell yeah. I think that means yes.
Spin it. Okay. Let's spin it. Fidobetto, you win. Oh. Okay, good.
No. Okay.
One.
That
would have been bad. Okay, so Fidobetto, 150k growth account. All you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description and make sure it's the email address that you actually use to log in to your Tradeify accounts. If it's not that email address, we won't be able to send you your free account, okay? So if you do that within the next 7 days, we'll send you your account. Congrats. We're going to do more giveaways today, chat, because it is the first 3-hour London stream of many to follow. Mo says no money gun today, just a massage gun. Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
For real. Let me actually just massage gun.
That makes
sense.
For
the rest of the stream.
Guys, whoever is just joining, are you guys in any trades right now, chat? Let us know. I am currently in a short that's doing absolutely nothing. London has opened, and for the last 20 minutes we've gone nowhere, so let me know.
Oh, wait.
What?
Jonathan just sent me his address. Let's go.
Wait, so what do you mean? Are you like, you're gonna Uber Eats him a pizza, right?
Yes.
Okay, that makes more sense.
Now, do you think I'm gonna order one here and then send it to him via mail?
I don't know. I asked you, you're gonna ship a pizza to him. I didn't all right, whatever. I get it.
Let's focus on your trade. I'll order Jonathan a pizza.
This is sick. I hope it comes while he's on the stream.
Oh, I'm gonna add the address. This is funny. Wait.
Broker says, how's it possible to join your giveaways? Well, you have to be here at the time that we do the giveaway form. So that's basically it. You just fill out the giveaway form and then we choose from the list. Someone will win. I mean, we don't choose. We spin the wheel. I'm the Witcher. Oh, Jonathan says pizza for breakfast might be a struggle. No, Jonathan. Pizza at any time is great.
Pizza for breakfast is awesome. And if you don't eat it right now, put it in the fridge and then eat it cold.
Not saying anything. Don't say it. Don't say it. I don't want that freaking God voice to come back out. That was scary. It's my third trade today. Whoa. How are you guys finding that many trades in a market like this right now? I'm struggling. This is the first valid setup I've had all day. But luckily it's on stream with you guys. You can see. He
says I don't think anywhere is open for delivery. Well, let's see. Otherwise I'll send you as soon as it's open. He's just gonna randomly get a fucking pizza to his house.
Oh, he said he's gonna eat it right away. That is so sick. Damn it, I'm hungry now.
I want a pizza. Okay, let's see. Let's see what else he got there.
All right, so Nick's giving out free pizzas. If everyone DMs him right now.
No, wait.
No, I'm kidding.
Okay, let's see. Pizza. Why? The fuck?
Never knew we had a pizza giveaway. Yeah, when was the pizza giveaway?
On Friday, in the New York stream.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I wasn't there for that. All right, we're getting close to TP1 here. All right, TP1. We hit TP1. Let's just change. I'm going to go break even.
Nice. Congrats. Very nice.
Thank you.
All right. You were right, Jonathan. So as soon as it opens, I'll send it to you. You want it for lunch today? I'll send it to you for lunch. And do you have kids? Do you have family? How many people are at the house? I'll send you pizza for everybody.
This is so sick. I think he's got a daughter, right? From memory.
I think so. But let me know how many people are there today for lunch. I'll send you pizzas for everybody.
All right. You guys asking about the trade. I can quickly walk you through it. The pizza is very exciting, but let me just quickly walk you through the trade. The entry for me was the inversion for value gap that happened at 307, and the reason I took that one was because we had a sweep of previous 4-hour high and previous 15-minute and Asia high all happening there, aligned at that 307 mark. So that's why it was that inversion and not this one or that one or anything any sooner. It was when the 4-hour and the 15-minute had aligned.
Nice.
And that is why. But anyway, back to the pizza. What did he say?
Viral post today says I have 25 kids and 7 baby mamas. Please send me pizza.
Yes.
Hey, now Jonathan, I know you want a Hawaiian, but what's your daughter's favorite pizza?
Oh, this is so good. This is making me want to do we should do a pizza giveaway every Friday or something. This is so sick.
Actually sick. And also, what time do you want to eat? 12 UK time?
Black interval, yeah. The news definitely helps the bearish bias right now.
Oh, wait, now we have this problem. Jonathan says she likes the pepperoni. Okay, are we talking about the pepperoni, the meat, or the pepperoni, the fucking vegetable? No, with 2 P's, it's the meat, huh?
Pepperoni, yeah.
Pepperoni.
I would say so. Don't ask me, but I would say.
Yeah. Nice.
Tradeify food bank. I mean, we do give away a lot here. Why not?
Hell yeah.
Wait, pizza party? Yes. Next Tradeify meetup has to be a pizza party. Oh, I'm starving now. Can we not
I
talk
would
about food?
love to eat pizza. If you order it for New York stream, that would be perfect for us tonight. Like, just let me know the time, Jonathan. What time do you want it? You decide. Give me UK time. I'll convert it. Okay, VIX out 21.25. It's probably gonna rise a bit, and then it's gonna fall. And when VIX falls, NQ rises. So let's see.
Let's see. I'm break even on this, so I'm totally fine. I have taken profit if it wants to stop me out. Let's see.
Okay, at 3 p.m. UK time. UTC is UK time, right? I think so.
Do not ask me.
Okay, order it at 3 p.m. UK time. It's my 4 p.m., so I'll order it during the New York stream. All right, I'll get that done. Just put it on my calendar.
Pam says there's a mistake, but yeah, a few of you commented on the date mistake. It's all good. I mean, you guys know what day it is, right? But thanks for picking it up.
Also, Jonathan, if you have a favorite pizza place that you usually order from, let me know, and I'll order from there.
NQ rising again. I could be getting stopped at break even here. That is okay. Oh, that's so cute. His daughter's so wrapped.
So cool.
Jonathan, tell her my pepperoni is the goated of all pizza flavors. That is my go-to.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Unc Nick. Saint Nick. Holy, yes. We have to add that to his intro now. Saint Nick.
Saint Nicholas. Nicholas Wicholas.
Saint Nicholas Wicholas. Jonathan said, she said now is Celine buying us ice cream too. She's smart. How old is your daughter?
Very smart.
Oh,
That's actually genius.
pizza and ice cream?
We might put ice cream on the next giveaway wheel. I don't know.
I'm freaking starving. Can we not?
Ice cream for Jonathan's daughter on the next giveaway wheel? Maybe.
Hell yeah. How did you spin the wheel? Was it a wheel just of like different foods or?
No, it was just we just kept it on the wheel for the giveaways, for every giveaway until it hit.
And then it hit. That's the best. Okay, that's break even. Oh, not yet. Oh,
Okay.
Are we alive in this trade? 2 points away. There we go. Okay, stop break even on the rest there. Very slow moving market here. Bit indecisive. But that's okay. That is why risk management is a good thing.
That is true. That is true. And you hit TP1 too, right? So.
So we're green. I'm the witch. I had breakfast and algo. That's literally me. And I'm hungry again. Whenever people talk about pizza, it's hard. Oh, Jonathan took a similar trade. Got stopped at TP1 and then B2 Celine on this. Exact same. Didn't really expect or really want NQ to have a retracement back to that entry level. I mean, we did tap into a 15-minute bullish gap here. So seeing this huge buying wick that just got left behind, I was happy to go break even there. Not take the loss because sort of don't want to be seeing this sort of 15-minute gap, that sort of reaction, like such a big wick now left behind there. But we'll see. We will see.
Fair. What am I gonna do?
Nick buy Celine one pizza too. Yes, great idea. How about Nick
Wait,
just...
what?
What?
You
They're
want one?
saying
I'll order you one right now. You want one?
No, I'm all good. I'm joking.
Nope. You're getting a pizza now. Send me your address.
I don't want pizza now, thank you. Nope. I was kidding.
Well,
Guys,
what else do you want? You want ice cream?
nah. I can't. I have to eat dinner after this. I'm not eating anything.
You want dinner?
What should... No. Saint Nick. He really is the real Saint Nick, guys.
Trini Boy says everybody place your order in the chat.
AM EST, did you do this on Funded, Celine? Nope, I did not. It's Monday and I was not really loving this gap above us, so I took this with my evals. Because it's not like A+ being in this sort of the market conditions. So I just took this on evals. Yeah, honestly, guys, put your orders in.
We're just gonna put pizza on every giveaway now.
Literally.
It's
not a bad idea.
A döner for me, please. Hey, what?
Döner.
A döner. You say what?
Like it's not a bad idea. Like everyone loves pizza. Who wouldn't be happy to end up with a pizza at the end of a giveaway? Like if it's not an account, it's a pizza. Makes sense.
Yeah,
it's a good win.
It's pretty good. Nick, I want the Switzerland meatballs from IKEA.
Yes. Celine wants a protein bar. No, Celine does not want a protein bar.
I gotta go get some electrolytes. It's gonna take me a fair minute till I'm back.
Yeah, we'll still be here in an hour. Don't worry. Look at him get up. Oh my god, Nick. You need like a wheelchair or something. He really is Unc Nick today, chat. He can't even walk. Did you see him just get up like an old man? That's funny. All right, so did we just get Nicholas Wickless out of that stop loss there? That's gonna hurt if this wants to drop here and it just took me out break even. You guys will see another side of me. But no, it's all good. Full pot dump, what's your favorite pizza? Mine is a pepperoni. It has to have it doesn't have to have, but it's always better when they do it with olives as well. And like chili flakes or like some sort of chili oil or something. That is the best. Well, if you're getting breakfast, Tim Hortons, please. You guys are funny, but we definitely should add this to the giveaway.
Wait,
I'm liking it. Huh?
We're adding what to the giveaway?
Well, you were quick. I said we should add like a food, just like, I don't know, just something in the giveaway that includes food. I think that's hilarious. Oh, that I can feel that pain.
Pain.
The pain.
So much pain. Ooh.
Whoever's just joining, Nick ran a marathon over the weekend. That's why.
Yeah, it was dumb. Pretty dumb.
Oh, Gramps is leaving us. Drops Trade says, this market isn't worth staying up for. Good night, y'all.
Oh,
well,
come on,
I get it.
You can't leave us alone.
I sort of get it. I mean, it's a Monday and it's looking choppy as hell, but...
Grandpa leaving us
Grandpa.
Gramps.
What flavor's your electrolytes? Or no flavor?
Our apple. Best ever.
Nice. Yum.
Nice.
Trini Boy, just replace the 50k select account with an extra large pepperoni pizza. I mean, give the people what they want. You guys want pizza? We'll give away pizza. Like, what do you want?
Amir, Nick, are you looking to take any trades today? No, actually today I just stare at the charts for 12 hours because I really enjoy that without trading. It's awesome.
That's it. What a beautiful view. Just these charts.
Kieran says, Nick, order me Switzerland citizenship.
Yes.
Oh yeah, when is the wait, Jonathan? Good point, Celine. When is the steak and ketchup happening?
Well, about that. Wait, no, didn't we agree? I said I'd do it with you.
No, you have to do it because you lost the game.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
We agree that we'll do it. I'll do it with you. I'll do it together when we have our competition because we have all those sports, all the races and stuff we have to do. So I will get a steak and put ketchup on it when I'm with you. Give me some time to warm up to it. I can't. I really can't.
Judas Joe says, St. Nicholas Nicholas, what was your marathon time? I'm training for one now. See, you're responsible. You're training for it. I didn't. That was dumb. But it was very, 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 very slow. 4 hours and 21 minutes. But my best one, personal best marathon is 3 hours and 58.
What was the weather like when you were running? You said it was cold.
It was good for running. Like it was 14 degrees Celsius and a little bit of rain, which is really good for running so you don't overheat.
Refreshing, yeah.
Yeah, but after, like when you cross the finish line, it's so cold. Very cold.
And how did you like make it back to the car afterwards? Like, it's so hard. Like, I mean, I've never run a marathon, but like, I would be dead. I just want to be carried. Like, carry me out of here.
Yeah, it was bad. But after like, I think 28 kilometers, I saw a guy who they just put into an ambulance, and he was laying there like,
oh my gosh, stop. What?
Like. Oh, and there was another guy. I didn't see that, but Chicken and his girlfriend and my best friend's wife, they saw it. Like 700 meters. He was in the leading group, so like first 5 people of the marathon. 700 meters from the finish line, he collapsed.
No.
Think about it. You run fucking 41 kilometers and then you collapse in front of the finish line.
I would have just rolled. I would have collapsed and then rolled my body.
Well, how do you roll 700 meters? Good luck.
Oh, how? Like, was he knocked out? Like he was passed out, or he just like his legs gave way? Like he just
completely passed out.
That's fucked. Oh.
Judas Joseph, did he take ketchup packets instead of energy gel packs? Of course.
Wouldn't be surprised if this guy has ketchup on him, getting him through that race.
Funny. Yannick's, how to calculate margin with crypto, please. Make sure to tune into the Tradeify crypto stream. Starts at 8 a.m. Eastern time every day, and ask that question there because this stream is about futures.
You don't know me, son.
You don't know me, son. Yeah, so far. London range, by the way, price range, London high to London low.
Nothing.
Only 41 points, so.
I'm glad I managed to take some money off the table there because this is disgusting.
Yeah, well done. New like goal. We haven't said the new like goal.
True. What are we at?
We are 496 likes. I mean, having a longer stream is pretty sick. Pretty sick. So let's get the stream to 600 likes. 600, we do another giveaway.
Sick.
There's 617 people watching right now, so it's easy.
That's crazy because we used to struggle sometimes, like in the beginning, just to get through those 300 numbers, and now we're like already at 500. So let's go, London gang.
London cooking.
London cooking.
And also, we're gonna go longer today. So usually the stream would end in 50 minutes, but now it's gonna end in an hour and 20 minutes. So
let's go. That means we have more opportunity for trading, more opportunity to talk shit. It's just great. It is great.
It is great.
Grape.
Oh, who was that?
Oh no. Oh no. All right. Something happened during that marathon run and your brain got a little bit knocked around.
Yeah, definitely got knocked around. Damn. It's crazy.
I'm the Witcher, Nick and Celine. What do you think about the German 40 or the DAX? Do you guys trade it? I don't trade the DAX. Nope.
I don't either. Bodhi, what time do you start now? Celine goes an hour solo, so she starts at 7 a.m. UK time. and then I join her at 8.
So now I get to intro Nick, but that's kind of sad because I don't get my intro anymore.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Thought about that. Damn it. No more intro.
I can intro you every now and then. I'll just come on and then you log off really quick for like 30 seconds.
Yeah, just be like, hold on, let's go to an ad break.
No, you just go like, oh, I gotta go to the bathroom really quick. Roman, take me off. And then like 5 seconds later, I'll come in and be like, hi guys, I'm back.
No, I'll just like change my t-shirt or something. It's like, I'm a new person, and then you can just so who's this guy? Well, let me introduce you.
Cryptoneer maker an outro, and outro is not as cool as intro, you know? It's not the same.
It's not. It really isn't.
Yeah, Bodhi, you late, baby. You late.
Yes. And to any of you who came after, just so you know, we're now running, like Nick said, from 7 a.m. UK. So
2 a.m. Eastern.
2 a.m. Eastern, yeah.
Maverick says record one and she can play it herself.
Yeah, I'll just sit there and listen to Nick's intro. Guys, I'm a little bit crazy like that. I would probably do something stupid.
She is crazy. Wait, what? Did I say this out loud?
I mean, I said it myself. Fine.
There's a funny interview from German TV where there's like a drunk guy and they ask him how old he is, and then he wants to answer and he goes like, the freaking rose just stung me. 53. Yeah, it's pretty funny. For the German ones, you know it probably. Bisschen die Rose mit dem Ton.
Oh, cheese balls.
Yeah, cheese balls knows. Ow, my legs, bro.
Bro, you need to get yourself to the sauna, to the spa.
Bodhi, nope. Tradeify and Matt have parted ways. All good though. He's, I think he's going back to education and stuff. But he won't be on stream anymore.
THF says, would you back into a short? Nope, not unless, not like no, hard no, just not at the moment. I'd need to see another sweep to re-enter to have the same sort of setup. But I really don't like this for like a, like we're not getting any continuation of any side, to the upside or to the downside, like still stuck in this chop. So
wait, Celine, are you back in Australia next week?
Oh yeah, I have to tell you about my dates. I'm back in Australia from April 21st.
Okay, so in a week.
Yes.
A bit over a week. Okay, nice. So that's when we play Mario Kart.
Yeah. So also, I won't be here that day because I'll be flying. So 3 hours.
Yeah. How do we do that then?
Yeah, so 3 hour stream every other day. I just maybe not that Tuesday.
That's actually something we need to speak with Brandon too.
There might be a workaround, but potentially.
Wait, I'll have a meeting with him tomorrow. I'll ask him.
Okay. That's just April 21st. Yeah, that's the day I'm flying, and then I will be back in Melbourne. Back down under. Yep, it's true. I'll be back in the down under. That's what they call it. You come from the land down under. You guys know that song? Fisher Trades, it hit Thursday, point of control. I'm taking a short position right now. Go right ahead, my friend. I just personally don't see a you could be on for the shorts, but I just don't have a setup myself yet. But I want you guys to take your own trades. This is not a signal place, so
yep.
You see the short, take the short. I'm with you. I hope you hit TP.
Oh wait, Mexican Dance is here? What's up, man?
Birdie Trey says, here comes the shorts. Does this one have some follow through though? That is the question. You know what's annoying? If this does like drop now and has follow through, look where my break even was. So my entry was here. This is the candle I got break even, and then to be fair, we did come back and test break even again. It's not like it dropped off there, but if this wants to dump now, I'll be pissed off. So I didn't get another setup.
Well, you hit TP1, so you still make money.
Yeah, it's true. It is true. Jonathan says, I'm expecting some tweets from Trump today. Honestly, yes, so am I. Like, these conditions we're in right now, like, although it's, like, looks bad right now, like, instability, who knows? He might turn around and say,
wait. Very
Yeah.
important.
Go
We
on.
gotta give a quick shout out and a hello to Patrick. Patrick, the legend. Not you, Pancake Patty, but Kiss Masses Patrick. Hi, Patrick.
Hey. Hi, Patrick. That's cute. And Leia, I heard Mateo's there. We'll say hi, Mateo, while we're at it.
Dinosaur King.
I wonder if he's old enough to watch Jurassic Park. He would love
Probably
that
not.
movie.
He's like 5 now.
Oh, maybe not then. Sadie says you should have covered the highs. I mean, could have, would have, should have. The plan was to just not lose money if I after TP1. So that's why we went break even. Oh, his smile is so big. Kismet says, yay. That's cute. Winning. Can I also get a high like a celeb? Of course. Let's do a big hi to Leo Grossman.
Hi, Leo.
Hi, Leo.
Hi.
Anyone else over at it? Hi. Hi, Justin. He's laughing. He put laughing emojis.
Gold is about to fill the gap, actually. Gold is very close. Gap fill is at 4,770, pretty much. Here. Almost back. Oil above 100, 103.
Crazy.
Crazy. Rosy.
Crazy.
Tick summarize that. Stop, please. Okay. Excuse
Okay,
me.
sorry.
Sorry. Justin, you just got one. Wait.
What do you mean? That was just for you. Oh, does he want us to say hi, 00 Justin H?
Hi, 00 Justin H.
Just to be sure it's you.
Oh, man.
Rios says, do you rewatch your streams?
Of course. That's what I do all day after the stream.
Sometimes when I know I've done something cringe, I have to go watch and just traumatize myself to see what you guys saw. But no, rarely ever, just because I can't stand it. I cannot stand to watch myself on the stream.
I got better things to do in my life than rewatching my own stream.
That's true. And when I say rewatch, I mean like literally skip through just to the part that I'm talking, that I know I effed up or something like.
Slow moving market today. Volume is very low, actually. On the 5-minute charts, you know it, an average London session has like 600 volume per 5-minute candle. Right now, it's more like 400-ish. So don't expect
very
too much.
slow.
Also, I didn't even check, honestly. Let's see news for this week. Do you know, Celine? What I read?
Nothing today. Nothing today. I think that's also why it's just.
Well, yeah, existing home sales.
What? Red folder?
Yeah, at 10 a.m. Eastern.
Why does this keep happening?
Tomorrow PPI. Then Wednesday.
If that's not. No, can you check your dates?
Yes, Monday the 13th of April. Here, look-see.
Red folder, existing home sales. Let me see. That's like a yellow folder for me on Forex Factory.
Interesting. Depends.
Low impact expected, they say.
Depends what page you're using. PPX Trades, just waking up. How was your weekend? My weekend was painful. How was yours?
Mine was good. I just blanked out for a sec. I was away over the weekend. I had to sit through the worst part of it though. Like great weekend, amazing, but I had to sit through a 4-hour car ride one way. 4 hours one way. Like there's no other way to get to the north of Bali, but
outside of that, how was the trip?
Yeah, really good. You know what? Because I had my Easter. Well, I celebrate both Easters, but basically I had my Easter weekend this weekend, and I made TZ to Zaikai.
TZ to Zaikai,
and it was delicious. You guys, let me show you. No, do not because. Help me. Anyway, guys, it was delish. I'm just saying. I wish I could post it in here because it was, I think, my best ever. Just saying.
I think chicken is gonna pop up in the chat now. You just summoned the chicken with this.
Like chicken, honestly, you could sell. You could bottle. You could like jar my TZ to Zaikai and sell it. It was that good.
Justin says, "What was that? Overnight oats?"
Shut up, Justin. How do I freaking post this to the chat? I need you guys to see it. It was the best ever, like restaurant quality. Bruh, Nick. Oh my god, stop teasing her. Right? I'm the witch. I deal with this shit, and I have to do it for 2 hours instead of an hour and a half. What did I sign up for? Yeah.
Yeah, but you have an hour to prepare for it.
That's true. Yeah, but you're in the freaking chat for that hour as well. Like, leave me alone. Look like a white puppy's ass from a distance. Bro, now that's just fucked up. Now I need to send this photo somewhere you guys can see. You know what? Maybe I'll just go ahead and post on my story and be like, chat, this is what it was. I'll do that later. I need you guys to see it. 91 Maverick, so much food talk today. Okay, fine. I'll order dinner before another trade.
Wait, Doodle Capital is actually right. You are blurry right now. You're not focused.
Oh, okay. Hold on. How do I? No, that's because I tapped my camera. Nick, you're the camera guy.
Yeah. What you want?
What do I need to do?
It looks good. Go back. Yeah, you're good now.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Who is in a trade right now? Like, who can actually find a valid trade right now?
Lulu. Yes. Thank you.
What did Lulu say? Oh my. Lulu, guys, get some culture into you. If not tzatziki, like, what is the other go-to dip out there? That will go with everything and anything. No, shut up. Anything else? Anything else, guys? Like, I'm open to other opinions, but ketchup isn't one of them. Like, tell me, it goes with everything, literally everything.
Okay, wait. So you're telling me you go to McDonald's and you order
Like,
chicken
what
McNuggets
else,
and you dip them in tzatziki?
You said it. You called it the right word for once. But no. No.
TZ guy. Sorry.
Not potato chips, but literally anything else, okay? That's because you've got ketchup for the fries and you got tzatziki for everything else. Meat, seafood.
Really feel like eating McDonald's today.
Well, you did do a marathon. I think you deserve it.
No, I had fondue yesterday already. You can't do one marathon and then do cheat days 7 days in a row.
Well,
I mean, you can, but
good. Do you reckon you made up for the 6,000 calories though? You're probably still in a deficit.
Yeah, probably.
Do it.
Yeah, and then I have this freaking Giacomo guy again, and he doesn't bring me my order.
Oh, Giacomo.
Oh, we're sitting at 543 likes. We need 600 for the next giveaway.
Oh yeah, we're almost there.
Giveaway number 2, that is.
Guys, if you could pick any cuisine in the world. All right, let's see. And that's like all you can eat for the rest of your life. What's it going to be? Because mine is Greek. I just think it has the most variety. The Greek cuisine. Not Greek. Let's say call it the Mediterranean.
That doesn't work. You have to pick like one.
You got rice. No, okay, it doesn't have to be a country because like.
Okay, let's make it a bit more difficult. For me, it would be Italian, but let's make it a little bit difficult. If you could only eat one food, not a whole menu, just like one item for the rest of your life, what would you pick?
Tzatziki. No. That's freaking hard because I love so much food. You got to be logical about it though. Like it's got to be something that like you don't get sick of the taste. It's probably pizza or like steak.
Only pizza? But like one item, not like a menu. Technically, pizza is a menu. Technically, you know, like for example, eggs or potatoes or rice.
Steak.
Or...
I could live off steak.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Interesting. Interesting.
You?
Steak is a good one.
It's good. Like a nice steak. I could eat that every day, all day.
But the problem is if I can only choose steak, I don't have it with ketchup.
So no good. Not doable for you, right?
Probably steak or eggs.
Oh, well, eggs, you could do different things with it. Yeah.
That's the thing.
Logic. What are these guys saying?
Crazy. Imagine, Nick, you have to eat every day until the end of your life pizza with ketchup. I can do it. Whatever.
You're talking about, that's probably his dream, Tim Trades. Seafood is interesting. Seafood's one of those things like not my favorite thing in the world, but if I have it, it has to be like particular. Very particular.
Brandon Baker says, Nick, do you drink eggs? I would never. This is fucking disgusting. Who does that?
You're telling me you go to the gym every day and you don't drink egg whites? What kind of gym junkie are you?
Oh yeah, Jericho, that's right. Celine would eat filet of fish for the rest of her life.
Oh yeah. Yes, you got me, Jericho. That's the one. Spot on.
1 minute to 10 a.m. volume. Yes, Sonic rules. So 9 a.m. UK. That's when Tokyo Stock Exchange closes in 15 seconds.
Still nothing happening with this trade I would have been in if not getting stop break even. Like we've gone nowhere. Really nowhere.
And here we go. Tokyo Stock Exchange closed.
Please bring us.
Usually gives us a volume candle, but we'll see.
Please.
Kryptoneer says you will probably get a cholesterol shock after 5 years. That's actually a hoax. It's not true. If you look into this topic, you can eat as many eggs as you want. It's the same as with Coke Zero and the aspartame thing, where everybody's like, "Oh, aspartame is so bad for you." You could literally drink so much Coke Zero every single day that you would die because of a water poison, like because of the liquid, first before you would die because of the aspartame.
I don't know about that. Is it science backed?
Yep. Look into it. It's very interesting.
Send it to me. All right, I'll look into it. Because I thought Coke Zero, I stopped drinking all that. Like you now when I go,
you can literally drink Coke Zero like friggin' 10 liters a day, no problem.
I don't know. I just don't think
you would die because of too
enough.
much liquid, not because of too much aspartame.
I don't know if they know enough yet. It's still such a new thing.
Coke Zero, a new thing?
Like fake sugars, artificial sugars.
Brother.
Come on. 0 calorie drinks, brother. That's new. Cat, back me up, yes. Back me up.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we have to Google it now. Whatever.
I'm on it. Okay. The first 0 calorie drink was introduced 1952.
Hold on. When I say new, yes, in the last century.
Okay,
Hello.
so would you say when somebody asks you for your age, do you say I'm new?
What do you mean? You just try to you twist things, guys. He twists things so that his logic makes more sense than mine. Like now he's bringing up age. No, the fact of the matter, this is a new thing in terms of like
Not
when we talk about
new.
medicine, when we talk about
It's
something
70
that's
years
discovered.
old. What do you mean new?
Okay, would you say like I don't know. I'm not even gonna get into it. Guys, if something has only been when we talk about inventions, if electricity or the light bulb was just invented 70 years ago, would you say it's a new invention?
No, absolutely not. It's 70 years old. It's fucking old.
You say that's old?
Mm-hmm.
Like the internet, you think that's an old like discovery? Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, I agree with that, but I'm talking
And it's younger, and it's younger than 0-calorie drinks. So, how do you make sense in your head? How does that work?
Wait, when did the internet start? No, that one I said that without any facts backing me up. But like seriously,
Celine, internet 1983, first 0-calorie drink 1950 something. And you were saying 0-calorie drinks are new, but you're saying the internet is old. So, logic, where?
Yeah. All right. Okay, whatever. But not. I think in terms of like a drink, it's still technically sort of old. All right, Paul Prophet says the first drink was 0 calorie. It's called water. Whatever. You guys are just gonna troll now. But
that's trolling, but no, like an actual 0-calorie drink.
All right. Well, you know what? I'm gonna research it because from what I read, I was like freaked out about the 0 calorie. Like I stopped. I used to drink Coke Zero, and now I stopped. Now I'll drink like a Sprite or something if I feel like a soft drink. But I know that's not good for me either.
Nice pop on NQ, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Look at that. Anybody caught that? It's actually technically kind of like a bull flag-ish thing breaking out.
I'm sort of like liking the idea of another short.
People in the chat are saying, well, we know for a fact Celine is going to be rewatching this stream.
Yeah. No, this one I'm going to stay well away from. If you want to call me AI, then just blame that on the guy over there with his name is Nick. He's the one who put me together.
Who?
Maybe I need to upgrade. The guy over there. Oh,
I don't see a guy.
shut up. All right, no short for me there. I didn't enter that trade. No inversion. I'm going to wait here. We could just be going for the gap for right now. 1
second. Everybody's saying there's terrible lag, but I'm on YouTube right now watching the stream and it is smooth as butter. I don't know. It's weird though. Many people say bad lag. I'm literally watching YouTube right now and it's clean. It's smooth, Roman.
Let me check if it's different on my phone.
Roman, on your YouTube, is it glitchy or not? For me, it's perfect. It's literally perfect.
Oh, they're saying it's okay, no lag, all fine. Must have just been like a split second and then they instantly like, it's bad.
But also super weird. Our viewers went from 600 to like 380 and now back to 511 in a split second. That is weird. Weird.
Strange.
Anyways, back to the charts.
Well, we have, guys, we need 30 more likes to get to 600. And once we get to 600 likes, we will do another giveaway. If you guys missed the first one, we're going to do another giveaway. So make sure you smash the like button.
Do it.
And do it now, if you could, please.
Comes and goes. It's funny. Must be country-based server issues. Yeah. Because for me, it's fine. I'm checking it all the time.
I just checked on my phone
all.
as well.
Switzerland, so it probably depends what server you're on. But we can't do anything about it. Seems like a YouTube issue. Jimmy Trade says, I said it's good, then it freezes.
Oh, like we're freezing for you guys? That's annoying.
But it's super weird because for me it's smooth as butter.
Butter. You said that like an Aussie.
Butter.
So like that's one of the words that we say really bad. Like anything that ends in ER, we make it like as if it's an A. Like.
Oh wait, so your donkeys, they make like A.
What?
That joke is so high level. I don't know, but if it lands for anybody.
That didn't land for me, guys. That's fucked. I don't even know what the fuck. Wait, what? You have to explain that.
Because you said everything that ends in ER, and donkeys usually make like ER. So your donkeys make A.
That's gonna be one of your best. That's actually hilarious. I wish I got that.
Sometimes I ask myself where my brain goes.
It's even funnier because yeah. That's hilarious. Oh, Nick. I think like
we hit 600 likes.
Oh hell yeah! Woo! Another giveaway.
Giveaway time. Oh wait, are we gonna do?
I was gonna say the exact same.
No, now Nick is rewatching this. 600 likes. So maybe we're gonna do 3 giveaways today. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. Here's the thing. Everybody who has filled out the Google form already, you don't have to fill it out again. Okay. If you fill it out again, you get disqualified. Everybody who has not filled out the Google form yet, fill it out. Only once though. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. Here you have the form. Don't ask me where it is. You get disqualified as well. And then we're gonna pick a new winner. Wow. Deepak Trivedi, you filled it out twice. Congrats, you just got disqualified.
Bye. I'm looking for a short in a minute. By the way. Okay. I'm in the short. Might be short-lived. But we'll see. Stops at the high. I may even just target the range at this point.
Mexican, you filled it out 3 times. What the heck?
No way. Mexican dance. He knows better. The hell?
Yeah.
Okay, so overall target on this is the same as the last trade. But in terms of like TP1, I'm just gonna look to take some profits off at the end at the bottom of this range at 25.088.50. If we can get down there. Otherwise, I'm taking a 18-point stop on this. So nothing too crazy. Let's see if we can get the follow through though.
Mexican says, "Did I? Lol, I'm a little high."
Of course. I mean, you guys do you. If it helps you be better traders, you do you.
Yeah.
Yeah, good try, 91 Maverick. Good try. Stupid YouTube lag, he thinks.
Maverick, you filled out the form. Yeah, you filled it out twice. Well. There's another Maverick. He also filled it out twice.
Oh.
Funny. Okay. Ready for the giveaway?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's see. I really got to double check if the winner filled it out twice or only once. Because there's a lot of people in this giveaway and I don't think this can be from only filling it out once. To be honest.
Let's double check after we spin them.
Let's see. Trying to fill out, like even pasting the names takes so long. Okay.
So long.
The winner of this next giveaway is, and I'm gonna double check. So it might be that it's a name, and I double check it, and then the person gets disqualified.
Okay. Who's it gonna be?
Galaxy Gamer Girl. Oh, only filled it out once. Okay, good.
Nice.
So Galaxy Gamer Girl, you just won. Make sure you type something in the chat. Galaxy Gamer World. And then we find out what you win.
Congrats. Love that you're a gamer girl too. Shout out gamer girl.
Yeah, Celine is a gamer girl too. She's like a FIFA pro.
Yeah. Oh, fuck off.
Galaxy Gamer Girl, where are you at? We need to see you in the chat. Ooh, Galaxy Chocolate, Jonathan? Yeah. Yeah.
What's that?
Do you know...
wait. Is that the brown packet?
Do you know...
Go on.
What is it called?
Come on, it's in there somewhere. We have to watch this. This stream is going to be a good one to clip, to look back.
What is it? Shit,
Come on,
what?
think, Nick.
Galaxy Gamer Girl is there. It says, yo. I can't remember what it's called.
Come on. Get that machine gun. I mean, not machine gun.
Gun. Yo.
Yo. Get that massage gun. Put it to the brain. Get some simulation happening, you know?
Okay, 1 second.
And let it come to you. All right. Thinking. Did it come?
Yeah, no, it didn't work. All right, let's spin all wheels. Let's see what Galaxy Gamer Girl wins. Galaxy Gamer Girl wins. Hey. Ooh.
Hey.
Okay, almost 150K. Oh my god. Okay, 25K growth. So, Galaxy Gamer Girl. Now, all you gotta let me know. Do you want to spin the wheel again for a chance to potentially win 5 25K growth accounts? Say, spin the wheel if you want me to spin again.
Guys, I don't even know where that machine gun came. The car says darkest. I don't know.
Okay, spin it. So
yay, let's do it.
So Galaxy Game Girl, you win.
Love a good gamble here. Hell yeah.
This is good. Hey, you win 3 25K growth accounts. Congrats.
Hell yeah.
So all you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description, but you got to make sure that it is your actual Tradeify login email address. So the one that you use when you log into your Tradeify accounts. And if you do that in the next 7 days, you're going to receive 3 25K growth accounts. Absolutely massive. Congrats.
Epic. Amazing. And guys, we're not going anywhere, by the way. Like, this is not the end of the stream. We'll be here for another 45 minutes. We're doing an extra 30 minutes at the end of our usual time slots. So make sure you guys stick around. We're still trading together for the next 45 minutes, but we've already done 2 giveaways. So that'll be stream.
If we get 707 likes, we're going to do a 3rd giveaway. We already gave away 4 accounts. We might give away another 5 in the next giveaway. So we might give away 9 accounts in this stream. Let's see.
Hell yeah.
I
mean, wait, how many likes?
707. We're sitting at 639, so it's doable. Hey, also, we crossed 85,000 subscribers. Let's go.
I know, hell yeah.
Only 14,700 away from 100K.
We'll get there soon.
So nice if we could hit 100K by May 22nd. So like within our first year, we got 100K subs.
I mean, it is possible.
It is possible, but it's hard. My guess in our internal guessing game was, I think,
what did you go for?
July 17th or so. I don't know.
Oh, I said earlier. I said like June, first week of June 8th.
The thing is, I calculated it based on our subscriber growth.
Yeah, but
I don't know. Like maybe we do a giveaway and then subs increase. We'll see.
We'll see. Trini Boy says then the pizza giveaway at the end. Do we actually want to do a pizza giveaway? That's funny. Imagine we like spin the wheel for the flavor. We spin the wheel for the pizza. Oh, that'd be funny. Back at break even. What do you know?
Trini Boy says we'll give you guys 1,000 likes for the pizza giveaway. Damn.
Well, we know you want pizza, Trini Boy. Yeah, Mrs. Goldfire, the tracker for my indicator, like for my setups, is like part of the same indicator that I use to trade.
Nice.
I'm gonna NQ, do something here, please.
Do something.
Nick.
What?
Might want to hear the massage gun again. Give that brain a little bit of a
Machine gun to the brain?
Oh god. I'm gonna get cancelled in a minute.
Yep, you will get cancelled.
Bro, was Tradeify gonna start their own country? Why not? Why don't we just purchase an island?
Our own country.
We should actually. I'm gonna talk to Brett about that.
Tradeify Nation.
Tradeify Nation, yes. And it's only Tradeify rules there, so like anything goes pretty much.
I like that.
Guys, yes. And we'll just like
so everybody eats steak with ketchup and it's gonna be good.
Oh no. It's not gonna be a dictatorship. No fucking
Wait,
way.
why not?
Who said you're even allowed? There will be one rule of entry. One condition is your name is not Nicholas Wickles. Brother.
Okay, I'm sad. I'm sad. She's mean to me, Chad.
Cat knows you're the mean one around here, and I deal with it every day. That's how I feel right now about this trade. All right, chat. If Tradeify had an island, if we owned an island, would you allow Nick to be the dictator? I don't think so. Like, come on.
Please, I just want to be the dictator. Oh, Kio says Nick for president. Yes.
Oh, God. It's gonna have to go to a vote.
I got one vote. Let's go.
Jonathan Epstein.
Roman would be the dictator.
Oh god. The Tradeify files. Oh my gosh, this is getting
Lulu chill.
This is getting dark, even more so than me. So crazy.
Sputnik the dictator. Yeah, Spot would probably be the dictator.
That would be absolutely chaos. I don't think anything would, no, nothing would go right. I think I should be president. I'm voting for myself. Literally.
If you could pick a liquid to come out your fingers in one hand, what liquids would you choose? Obviously Coke Zero. Like, what the fuck?
Oh, I'm surprised you didn't say ketchup. Like,
nah,
what?
Like Coke Zero would be sick. Or a protein shake.
That's hard. Well, what do you mean?
Black Interval is smart. Liquid gold. Damn. That's genius.
What did he say? Oh, liquid gold. Holy shit.
That's genius.
Shit.
That's very genius. Yeah, Black Interval, you win. That is good.
Your brain's thinking today, unlike ours.
Constance says fuel for the cars. Definitely one. Well, I drive an EV. Fuck that.
Yes, Iara Gowago. I can't say that. But yes, this is the new time from now on. 7 a.m. UK to 10 a.m. Or Eastern, it's 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern time. 3 hours. So instead of the usual time, we'd be finishing with you guys in like 10 minutes. We'll still be here till for another 40 minutes.
And if we hit 707 likes, we're gonna do another giveaway. We're at 667.
6-7. We haven't done that for a while.
You know where I have the worst muscle soreness from the marathon, by the way?
The calves. Definitely the calves.
No. Here.
Where? Why? What were you doing? Like running like this?
No, because you like for 4.5 hours you have your freaking arms like that, and it's just holding them up. You know.
You're running wrong.
No, it's so funny. Like it's so funny. I always get that when I do a marathon. I always have that as the worst.
For long distance, but for long distance, they say you should run like with your arms across your body, not like this. Like they should have more. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but that's what I heard. Do you know what I'm trying to say? You should be crossing your body in long distance.
Yeah, but you still have your arms in a 90-degree angle. Doesn't matter if you go like this or like this.
No, because this is way more of the angle than this. It's so Nick, you make me feel dumb. All right, guys, chat. What did I say there? Look. Thanks, Roman. We can see. This is running like sprint. Okay. See the angle? See the angle? And then look at this. Crossbody. Oh wow, look at that. The arms get to flex down. Crossbody.
What are you, inline skating right now?
Dude, listen, you have your sore arms over there, and I will run and not have sore arms. I'm trying to help. I'm really trying to help you. But whatever. Yeah, G for Jerry, he understands, but he doesn't know how to word it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's less, like you're definitely at more of a 90-degree when you sprint.
Cezanne is like a T-Rex.
Whatever. Trying to educate you all. Guys, I used to be in the athletics club at school, okay? I was a track sprinter.
Really? Oh, wait. And you still want a 1 second? Fucking...
I told you that, but I'm a girl. Like, of course, there's a disadvantage there. I need the 1 second. We agreed because you're taller.
Shit, might be good. She might be fast, actually.
Got to tell you. She
Yeah,
was doing hammock curls.
Smoker. Easy.
I love whatever is wrong with these two. Thanks, Lulu.
Oh boy. What is this session?
This is terrible.
What do you mean, Amir? This was a funny London session. It wasn't. It is still. 35 minutes more.
Wow, that's great. Honestly, like, time has flown. I've been here for 2.5 hours. Doesn't even feel like that.
Yep.
Crazy. But also,
now you're part of the long stream gang as well.
Oh yeah, that is true.
I stream 4 hours a day, and I actually had a time where I was streaming 5 hours a day.
That's insane. But I'm not surprised. You got off a train and then
now you do 3.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 3 is good. 3 is good.
3 is good. 3 is good. In Greece, it'll be my 9 a.m. to 12, which is so perfect. I love that.
Nice. That is nice. Abhishek says it gets no trade Monday because of this PA. Yeah, so far, but Alina's in a trade right now.
I am. I'm in a short, but I've only traded evals today. Like, I just do not like it the way It has been going since I got on here, Frankfurt Open. We have gone nowhere. And I guess like my TP on this trade and the idea is just to get to the bottom of the range right now, just based on that displacement we had. My entry was at 408. So let's see if we get any sort of follow through just back to the bottom of this range.
Jonathan is saying, I'm quite liking the extended hours for a stream. It means I can enjoy another coffee. Then Mexican then goes, we're having so much fun. Time goes fast when you're having fun. And then We Are Champions goes, time flies when you're getting made fun of.
Literally. I was like, where did the time go? And it's because this whole time I've been having to back myself up.
Also, it is true. Wick Sweeper says you could run a marathon in that time. You could if you weren't a slow fuck like me.
You said it. Hey, where's Chicken today?
There was a guy yesterday. Okay, this is crazy. The pacemaker for the 3-hour marathon. Yesterday. Okay. He did that pacemaking. He ran it in 2 hours and 58 minutes. So like 2 minutes below the pace.
Crazy.
But
yeah.
at 4 a.m. He already did the full marathon in 2 hours and 58 minutes.
What do you mean?
So he did the full marathon to test the course, 2 hours, 58 minutes, comes back at 8. So like he's at the finish line at 7, goes back to the start line at 8 and runs it again in 2 hours and 58 minutes as a pacemaker. Like absolutely insane.
What? What nationality?
This guy is the 100K record holder in Switzerland. He did 100K in 6 hours.
Is he Swiss?
6 hours and 18 minutes. 100 kilometers.
No. What's the record for 100 kilometers? That's insane.
The record is insane. I think 5 hours something. Yeah, 5 hours 59.
Jeez.
It's absolutely insane. And this guy did 6 hours and 18 minutes. He runs a marathon in 2 hours 58 minutes, goes back to the start line and runs it again in 2 hours and 58 minutes. Like, what?
Jeez. That's insane. Yeah. That is insane.
And he didn't even look like it was intense. He was at the finish line like, okay, we're done.
Wait, and what nationality is he?
Swiss.
It's crazy. Yeah, it's like sometimes genetics, like, can help you, but
yeah, and training. Like you don't get that just by having good genetics. But certainly, like I don't have the genetics for being a runner. Like literally, I don't.
Yeah, that is insane to be at that level. Like 100 kilometers.
Chicken in the chat. Everybody say good morning, Chicken.
I was just asking where you were, Chicken. I heard you chickened out of that marathon.
Yeah, he did.
That's all right. You have the Iron Man.
But I know his next comment is going to be, well, then who has it did not start? You or me?
Oh, no. That's actually true. He can give you that one.
I know he's going to write that. I know it. That's why I said it already, so he can't type it now.
Wait, Chicken, I need to show you the tzatziki that I made. Hold on.
She means Tizaikai, if you didn't understand what she said. Look. See, I knew it, you fuck.
Oh my god. Wait, so if we search up Nick Metzger, like, is it on Google?
It says did not start. If you go to Zurich Marathon results, did not start.
Oh, this is so good.
But you know what? I got proof. Look. I got proof. Wait, it's gonna focus. Let it focus.
How you stood after is this before or after the marathon?
That's before, but you gotta read the name tag as soon as it focuses. Sweet, gotta get closer. Focus, camera, focus.
It's not
focusing.
There you go.
Can you read it?
It's still not focusing.
It's focused now.
Yeah, but I think the lighting or something. I don't know. Can they read it? I can't read it.
Wait.
Yeah, do that. So, just like zoomed up on your shot.
Wait. Focus, camera.
Come on, camera. Tap the. You have to tap the screen.
Too far. Focus.
Oh, come on, Nick. This is painful.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, you gotta go.
See?
That is funny. Oh my god, now that's actually hilarious. You ran looking with a Greek name, looking as Swiss as they come.
And whenever
Right,
somebody
now.
said, go Georgios, I was like, Tzatziki!
That's hilarious. Wait, I need to find you on this list now. I found the...
Oh, you found the list? Wait, let me...
Are you under Nicholas? Wait, no, you're Nick, right?
Wait, where are you?
What do you mean, where am I?
That's not
I'm
the
on
right...
Oh no,
page.
2023. What the hell?
Oh, silly. Get it type 2026.
Oh yeah.
You type Zurich Marathon 2026 results. And then go to one down. Yep.
This one?
Yep. And then
Okay,
type in
now
the
I
name
can
there in the
search you.
search bar on top. If you type Nick Metzger now, it says does not start.
DNS, yes.
And then type. Yeah, well, no, we're not gonna dox him. Whatever.
Oh yeah, no, let's okay. Oh, there's gonna be many Georgia. Oh no, let's not. There might only be one. Oh, back to the charts. I'm in profit. That's fun.
Frank, yeah, my fiance did run the half. She unfortunately didn't reach her goal, but she still hit the new personal best. So very
Nice.
impressive. She did it in
W.
like 1 hour and 33 minutes, which is absolutely insane.
That's
Like,
crazy.
so fast.
What was her goal? I'm curious.
Her goal was 130, but what she didn't know was the pacemaker did a negative split, so he ran the first half faster and then the second half slower, and she's not used to that. She usually does it the other way around, and she didn't check her watch, so so ultimately she still got a personal best, which is fucking impressive.
That's crazy.
But just not the goal. 132 is insane. Like my fastest half marathon is 141. She beats me easy.
Yeah, that's fast.
Mm-hmm.
Insane.
Hey, we hit 707 likes. Let's fucking go.
Let's
Look
go.
at that.
Third. What are we? No, second giveaway for the day.
No, this is the third giveaway for today.
Wait, third, right? Okay.
Mhm.
I was like, hold on. Hell yeah.
We're gonna. Wow, Lulu. We're gonna do the giveaway in like 20 minutes. Because we have had some confusion before. I'll create a new form, so don't fill out anything. We're gonna do everything new in like 20 minutes. Are you
Come
still
on
in that
in,
trade?
Yes. I'm back at break even.
Blech.
Just hanging around here.
Blech.
Yeah, honestly, not my favorite price action. I need to send Chicken. If I send you a photo, you need to send this to Chicken so I can show him my cheese eggs is like a...
I don't want to see that anymore.
I'm so hungry just looking at it.
Yes, Leia, I'll create a new form. By the way, Leia, how's the Pokemon Go hunt going? How many have you caught with Matteo?
Pokemon Go is one of the best games ever created.
Yeah, it's still the highest grossing franchise ever.
Pokemon in general.
Yeah.
What is that sound?
I don't know.
Can you hear that?
It's not from my end, it's from your end. It's probably the curtain guy.
Why is it always the curtain guy?
Chicken says, Nick, someone rang the door. Run to the door, please, real quick. I'm like, if the house is on fire right now, I'm like, Ah!
Yeah, see, Chicken said, let me judge that. Yeah, you have to share this to Chicken. I'm sending it on, No, Nick, you must send it.
No,
You
no.
must.
I don't have to do anything.
Or else. Oh, we're getting a drop here on NQ.
Or else what?
I don't have to intro you tomorrow, you know?
Okay, don't intro me. So what?
I won't even bring you on. You can just like sit in the ninja room and me
I'll
room
go
and
to the sauna. So what?
I don't know. Stay a cripple. How about that? Go. That's right. Leave.
Yo, chat.
Well, send this. I'm gonna send you a photo of my tzatziki, and you can send it on to Chicken. That's the rules.
Whoa, yo.
What? Okay. This is what happens when I have to deal with Nick for 2 hours now, not an hour and a half. Chicken, back me up.
Wait, Leia, you already caught 248 Pokemon? What the heck?
What?
There's a lot. Chicken. You stopped the Iron Man after half. That's cute.
Check your WhatsApp, Nick.
Check my WhatsApp. Wait.
Mm-hmm.
How this crazy lady has my number.
Oh, I know how to...
Ew, is that an olive on there?
I know how to share it on screen. I'll just I'll airdrop it to my computer.
Is that an olive on there?
That's a straight, yep. Mm-hmm. You don't eat olives? That vomit sound is so disgusting. Like, I want to vomit when you do that. Hold on, chat. It's coming. Get ready. Get ready.
What's coming?
Da, 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 da.
What?
Look. Look at that. Goodness. We're just gonna leave this here, Roman. I leave my trade on, and we can leave the tzatziki there. Honestly, for all the Greeks in the chat, the Europeans, okay? Nick left. Whatever. Tell me that's not a good looking tzatziki. With the dill, with the olive on in the middle, looks so good. Thank you guys. Thank you. It was pretty damn good.
My child, this is the most disgusting looking white something in a bowl. And if you dare to show this again, you will get banned from the stream forever.
You forget. The laugh is even more scary. Nick, just get back. It's gone.
Surprise, motherfucker.
You know, you have to go back and listen to when you laughed with that thing over your voice. Because
I wonder what it sounds like, actually.
It's really funny. But yeah, Chicken said it looked like something your cat picked out. So wait, now I'm confused. Does he not like tzatziki? What do you mean, Chicken?
Wait, what? What's happening?
He said that the tzatziki looks like something your cat would have puked out. Like he's hating on it, but I thought he would have. But he would have liked that. That's
he's so hating on Tizai Kai. I love it.
Why is he hating on it now? What the fuck?
I don't
Wait,
know.
TP1 incoming. TP1 incoming. We're still in this.
Andrea, yo. She's like, you eat steak with ketchup. Like, shut the fuck up.
Oh, legit.
Love it.
All right, that was it. How far away from my TP was that?
It was close. Yes.
Oh,
You might still get it.
A point, 1 point away. Whatever. That's fun. Bakshish. Yes, his vomit sounds like some douchebag being thrown out of club on King Street. Yeah, that's a Melbourne reference, King Street.
Lul.
Thanks, Andrea. Today, Andrea wants to defend me. Oh, wait, Chicken said it looks insanely good. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh, Frank, that's a great question. Did the Greek fiance like it and compare it to his mother's?
Yes, he loved it, but he would never compare. So yeah, he loved it.
He's a smart man, huh?
Or he would never. He wouldn't dare.
He's like, this is
It's
so
great.
good.
Oh no, he's pretty honest. If he doesn't like something, he would say. He would
G
say.
for Geo, I have no idea what Tzaika is or how to spell it. You don't need to know. It's like, what do you need it for?
What the hell? I'm not like the most goated dip of all time. Go do yourself a favor, G for Geo. Go to the supermarket, or you can even make yourself. Go get some tzatziki and your life will be changed.
To the worse.
Whatever. Come on, NQ. Can we hit this TP or what?
Kevin Tintin says, am I late to join the trade? Well, you take your own trades. Do not take our trades. We don't recommend. Wait, Leia, you went into Mateo's Pokédex. It says 334 cut, but like 334 uniques or doubles as well.
Damn, Sweden's got all the Pokemon hiding
real.
out there. Might have to come to.
You just
Sweden.
recently started playing too. Like how?
Crazy.
It's crazy. Well, this is actually crazy. Insane.
Come on, NQ. Let's see it drop. Amir,
No, I'm not sure, Leia. Not sure. It shouldn't, but I don't know.
Amir's asking if I'm break even. No, I'm not. Not break even, actually. It is what it is. I did take the win before, so I'm sort of risking a little bit more with this one. In fact, all I will do is probably just move my stop to that high. To be fair. That low. Okay. You did already put the link for the forms in the chat, or no?
Nope.
Nope, not yet. Not the new one. But that is correct. We're about to do our third giveaway, chat. Third giveaway. It's been a big stream. These 3-hour streams are going to be cooking. We're going to be giving giveaway. Like, we gave out pizza today. Oh, not yet. Not yet. But it's on the way, Jonathan.
It's on my calendar. It's on my calendar to send it to him at 4 p.m. my time, which is 3 p.m. his time. It's going to be good. Jonathan, you haven't let me know yet what your favorite place is, or have you on WhatsApp, on Instagram? No, you haven't. Let me know. What's your favorite pizza place? Maverick says, I'm eating pizza now. I want pizza now. I might order for lunch.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to have for dinner now.
Leah says, when Pokemon Go came out, a friend of mine caught all Pokemon in like a week and ended up on the news. Wow, that's crazy.
Lifelong accomplishment achieved. That's sick.
That's crazy.
I went, like, Pokemon Go was my thing in COVID. Me and my boyfriend at the time, we were so bored. It was like the only thing we could do. We're like, let's just go hunting for Pokemon.
Pokemon. I would have liked for this London load to sweep. Then I would have taken longs now, but not a fan.
Don't yet. Let me take the TP first. And long it. Vihasha, we see your comment 3 times. I can trade on news, and what's the minimum time to hold trade? I don't understand.
We just have a micro scalping rule. So like 50% of your profits must come from trades that are longer than 10 seconds. So if you want to trade the news and you're gonna make, I don't know, $10,000 in 2 seconds, then you have to make sure that you make another $10,000 from trades that are held longer than 10 seconds. But you can trade news, yes.
The Afghan trader, are you still holding the same trade, Celine? Yeah. This is the second short I've entered. First trade, if it wasn't for my risk management, I would have been wicked out of that stop loss here. That my literal stop loss was 25,128. Price came up to 130, so like 2 points above would have wicked me out, then dropped. So I'm glad for risk management. That's the only thing sometimes that can really make the difference with your P&L. So that was an L, that was a TP1 and break even, and now I'm sitting in this trade was 1 point away from the second trade hitting TP1, and now I'm pretty much back at break even. Let's see what we do. No, Max, hell no, did I not. I did not code this indicator myself. Nope. I worked at the Pine script developer. There's no way. I did try. I have tried like coding with coding view, but it is hard. I have, you know.
I think there is a good question for you to teach a valuable lesson there, Celine. Nikia is asking question: why let the trade come back to break even?
In the initial trade that I took, like why did I go break even there? Is that the question?
No, well, but even now, like why would you? She's asking, like, trade was in profit. Why do you let it come back to break even?
Why did you let it? Okay, fair enough. Well, I have a hard rule. Like the way I like to trade is I want to at least see the first target hit before I'm going break even, because otherwise I haven't given the trade room enough to do its exploring. Like in price, sometimes we get these, especially NASDAQ, can come up and down, and time again in my back testing I was seeing this happen. Recurring losses that like recurring break evens that could have been avoided if I just let given price a little bit more room. So here that drop that we had was okay, around 22 points. Fair enough, it's decent, but I just like I know the way NASDAQ likes to move, and it's not so crazy to expect it to retrace a little bit and then come back down also. And then if in this case it was to hit me break even and then run to my TP, I'd be even more pissed. More so than just letting it do its thing. And if it has to stop me out, I understand that. I accept the full risk of this. The other thing playing in this decision also is the fact that I have already, I'm green on the day, have already taken profit. So I'm a little bit more flexible with this stop. Why did I not take profit? But if you mean why didn't I just close it out there and then, that's a me thing. I like to trade so that I can pretty much walk away. I don't like to micromanage too much and close it out because it's looking good. Like just I use the limits, I use the stops, and that's it. And I let it do its thing. If that makes sense.
Good lesson, valuable lesson.
Angia, I miss your comment. She said, the more you trade with Nick, the more things like this happen to you, Celine.
Wait, what?
The Nicholas Wickles curse. Like if I do end up getting stopped out of this and I was a point from TP, it is true. Nicholas Wickles curse.
Me. I can't change it.
Mario.
I think it's a good time to do a giveaway. What do you think?
I think so.
Nice. All right. Chat.
Let's do it.
Chat. Here are the rules for this giveaway. As usual, you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. This is a new Google form, so everybody can fill it out again once, even people who have filled out the other form before, okay? So fill it out once. If you do it more than once, though, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, you will get disqualified as well. Lulu just asked, where's the form?
Lulu, there's no way.
Lulu's disqualified. All right, nice.
What?
Here we go. Let's go.
Lulu, you're an OG. You know better than that.
Yeah, for real. Rios, does the email of the giveaway winner have to stay on the description for all 7 days? Yeah, like as long as you have not received the account, it has to be up there.
What?
Hmm?
Oh, Lulu's saying, bro, I did it before he said it.
Yeah, as if you didn't know that that was a rule, huh?
Damn, that sucks, Lulu.
Sucks to be Lulu today. Now imagine it's Lulu and then we spin the 5x wheel and it's like 150k lightning and it lands on 5x.
No, that's just not. Wait, Ty 3, is he trolling? He said, where is the form? You're gone.
Tricking LFT just ripped a German joke. That's so funny. That's very funny.
Only the Germans get.
Yeah, I can't even explain that joke. It doesn't work in English. It doesn't work.
Aber ich brauch die Google Form zum Backen.
Yeah, not bad. Actually, not bad pronunciation.
I'm getting better.
The Afghan trader, what the fuck? I messaged Brandon again. What the heck? I'll message him again.
Is his email address the right one with his Tradeify?
I think so, yeah. He said that at least.
Chicken saying he thought that's so mean.
Wait, who was throwing up?
Chicken said he thought I was throwing up when I was speaking German. He said it was shit.
Oh.
Ich brach. What was it? It's hard. It's such a difficult language, and it's hard to sound like
if it's not your mother tongue, it's awful.
Yeah, and it comes from like such an angry tone.
It's kind of like Arab. I don't know, Arabic.
German is like Arabic.
Yeah, it has a lot of that, you know.
Yeah, in that way. Ugh.
It sounds. Yep. All right, let me copy everybody over to the giveaway wheel. Oh, Leah, you were the first one to fill it out. Nice. Fast. Let's see. There we go. And we're gonna see who wins first, and then we're gonna check what they win. Here we go. Third giveaway of the day, chat. We already gave away 4 accounts. This is the next giveaway. Let's see. The winner is
Lulu. No.
Trader Dustin H. Hey.
Hell yeah, Dustin. Woo.
Look at that. Nice. Type something in the chat.
Sure, he's here.
He better be here.
Awkward, because he's been here from 2 a.m. I'm pretty sure he was here from the start.
All profits. Nick, do you like Roger Federer? Of course. Everybody likes Roger Federer. What the hell?
Who doesn't?
What the hell? What the hell, Beyonce? What the hell, LeBron James? Okay. So, but wait, that's not the right Justin. That's a different Justin.
Oh, and what? What? Bro, that was my name from with Celine. I changed it back.
What do you mean that's the old form? It's not the old.
Nick, you use the old form.
But look, you can play games with me. So Justin, you literally filled this out at 10:53 my time, 10:53 and 22 seconds, which was friggin' 3 minutes ago. What are you talking about? Can't play games with me. You put in the wrong name.
Wait. This is getting confusing now.
Now what are we gonna do with Justin?
Oh, he said it's not him then. Okay, so there's another trader, Justin H.
I'm confused.
Let me see if I can type
Unless you filled out the form, because it is the same link. So you filled out the form.
Nick, did you delete the entries?
Of course, I always delete the entries. Maybe it was autofill. If you put Trader Justin H on the other form, it has to be you.
Yeah, because I just tried to look for Trader Justin H in the chat. There is no such person.
It has to be you. It's you. So
Woo! Go Justin.
Let's do growth select lightning. Let's see what you win.
Someone just goes, I am Justin.
Win. Justin. You win. Ooh, this could be. Oh, it's gonna be select. It's gonna be 50k select.
Oh, it's getting there, lightning.
Ooh, okay. 50k select. So, okay, wait. Before we ask Justin, do you want to spin the wheel? Chicken says, I'm not in this form. Rigged. Okay, let's see. Calling himself Joker, big payout, super Greek god. Thinking you can pick the shit out of this. Huh? What? You think you're playing games? You filled it out at 10:52:50. I'm not stupid, you little chicken.
Joker, big payout. Oh, wow.
Chicken thing.
Exposed, chicken, exposed.
Chicken.
Oh.
All right. Justin, are you going to spin the wheel of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? He says Vegas, baby. Hell yeah. All right, let's do it.
Hell yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it, Justin. Let's see. So you get a 50k select. And now you get...
I really want to see someone win time.
This is
good. Oh.
4 50k selects. Oh my God, Justin.
Damn.
Justin. 4 50k selects. So that means we gave away 8 accounts today. Holy. What a way to start the 3-hour London stream, huh?
Crazy.
Crazy.
I love that I went to you, Justin. You're a real one, real OG. You're always here in the chat, so congrats.
Yeah, fire. Absolute fire. Now, with that being done, chat, it is time for you guys to put a big fat W in the chat if you love this stream and if you think that Celine absolutely crushed the first hour solo. Put an L in the chat if you hate me. Oh, look at that pop.
Whoa.
Oh,
whoa. I just got stopped in a crazy candle. Did you see that?
Yep, I just saw that. We will be back with another New York session stream at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time with Sputnik, the one and only, actually with normal Nick, and then with Sputnik and me at 9 a.m. Eastern time. We are gonna be streaming for another, 8.5 hours? So there's more coming. And before we go off, Celine, any last words for the chat?
What the hell was that? And if someone would like to find out and let me know later, what the fuck? I just got slipped and stopped in an instant. So some news has come out, guys. If anything, just be careful. I think we are trading in very crazy times. Something is probably just been announced and who knows what else is coming today. So be careful, New York session. It could be a crazy one. Have your risk management in place and that's all you can do. And just plan the trade as usual. But guys, it was fun. Love the 3-hour stream. Honestly, time went so fast and I can't wait to do it all again tomorrow. So same time, 7 a.m. be there and yeah, enjoy the rest of the day.
Hell yeah.
or night.
Peace out.
Peace.